Dofo manage say we do a fidie ato Adom TV. Ya we share me ni tekotego. Na me dem kwansensem ebre on day. Me say ya na obi ka se nyame nhira wa. Wadwen o say. Ah ya we de nyame nhira no. Say ya wo de. Nhira ase say ni gie nware wo. Blessing just say happiness. Eni gie nware wo. Na wode wabra bototo obi want to say ye we de nyame nhira no he ne kai kura no. He ne canvas bi a hye no. He na tare bi a hye no ye we de nhira ba. Ebi kura to won ma nhira. Nhira ho a kire wo de say bibi eba. Obu aye to ne din nhira, enso na bra bo a kire no me. Nhira ye woni bi esi nhira kwan. Na ba ko ne say wa no kasa eya kwaside de ma wo nhira. Ma me no kan Bible me sa ne ma me kan me de Bible aye tusu dua ma brabo. Se ye Kristoni so ye Kristoni Bible no e tusu dua de ma brabo. Enti men fa ne say Bible ye Kristo for nko ade. The Bible is a manual for life. So ko to fridge I kata bi da so. To TV I say hwe so na ye we sa na Bible so te. Na kai Deuteronomy 30 verse 19 no I was say me frɛ wo soro ne asase ne. Se eni adanse entia o. Enkwanie wowunie ehiranie numinie samuna yi nkwa adechi bia no ye de nkwa ne owuo egira wanim ye de nome ene emponhira gira wanim na kwan ben so na besemu eyi sa ne memba ko okan mebusem Proverbs 18:21 was say enkwa ene owuo ewo nipa etakramaso. Death and life are in the power of the tongue. And se kasa semo yi nhira e wa no kasa. E na wo yi no me a e wa no kasa. E che se da bia wo na osemu eyi ne beba abrabo so. O se na onipa we fu be me a efri won sem abeka. A man's life shall be filled with the fruit of his mouth. Won kwa be ye ma adore wa no kasa mu. Na empo won sem e de se ye be brewo. Papa mu o boni mu o odofo efi wano kasa na yeka anokasa anya ne yeka na anokaka wo ebu abobo mu otim ugya na anam obre na mebre sei ade we minyanka ma enso mintimi nye abosome bia me de maketu aba enso me ade na mebre sei obi adi kan jam adwuma me de promotion e bi mba da ben ne da sansem ya wodwen ho wo bobo ho a wo ka no eno ene ya consider de ma ade na me de ne me fafo asida me de dan we mintimi sibida ka we de mintimi ntobi da me atare we de mintimi shebida de me kura de me kura sebe ekro da me nanti entimi ni apepra gro entimi frantumago entimi nsa obadwamu na wo ka sansem we eda ne no me ni ya consider de ma wo nhira nya be ka bia no ubetwa kasa enye adehu keke kasa eye tumi susuma hodne yesa wo hya nanso wo kasa pa ekura wabrabo ma brabo so bapa eno nti na obi ya obone a otimi ma bufu no aka bibia tia nipa kro na wagya ho na enya no nemom nyahunu se de befiri wanu mu apie bia no enya okane ansanya obi nti fi na dakai wo penhira kenhira sam tibia wo mu no enye de magitum se enye nemom kan sempa fa ho awade atim no ebon ko kan sempa fa wade na wo kunu ana ayere ho adwuma wo yo no nkoso mamu ene se kosua de foforo na tumpon wa adwuma num emom baabi apase wo duru nya nu ho nemom nsem abeka no ebo aduru ho kasapa emawiye pa tosubium ade ba ko esi yenhira kwan eyese yede oyawdie ato yakoma so wo se na famemfom so wo cheme se da me de che woni afom me no hwe obi a obibi ayaya obi aka asem bi a anto asom yi ayaya eya nanso jemma nenka jemma nenka ehia bebo nyara jemma nenka se wo de asem no to akoma mu no wutimu a enyaw ebi adwuma wo ye adwuma se o boss opo bi asem no mpe wasem na wo de boss ahye wotim boss we dey boss we wo de ne ho yaw na ahye wutim ana asofo a na ya asore ofre obi a modin bi sofo aso mpem asem sofo oye wudie ana manager bi wo de wutim po bi ma manager bi se on fanya adwuma odi adwuma no ama aba so se na ade na ma no na ordinam no afre no safo hene akwa we na me che se onye se no anye me na me bie kwama no na wa me se yie da bia na wo de obi ho asema hye wo mu wo ne oku na tifie na no ankasa yi ankyerɛw ana na yire na wo fie wa anye bi papa ankyerɛw na de wo yire ho asa otim oba we minya na wo mume na wo so okunu ana wo ma wo nya mu mananka sa timopo na wo otim no a wo bobo bi ho asama wo ntimfa nkyɛ no wo di yaw ase eduro mu esi wo nhira kwan menua so wo de obi ho asam hye wo mu a ya na asa twe ho firi nipa no ho asa nipa no hunu se oya tantan de bi wo na ba tantan de etoko ye mfie mu a ntoko wo ho nyina akire se obi de obi ho asam ahye ni mu obi de obi ho asam ahye ni mu na ama mpapa mu aba oya odie ehye wo esi wo nhira kwan obi bi adan oyaw fa che no jamu mananka yeso oye no wanya nyabotre na ka kire no na wanye mpo a wabetima ya ene ye sense odi ho ate be hye otimu akwa wo de okye no ho dodo edei ono kwa na yesi so ye odie na ye die no ene embebre esi enhira kwan so wo penhira yi oye odie fi wadwene mu obu ane na bi ye na de bi ne nkwada abre mu na gya bi ye me papa me ne nkasa da me papa oye me papa biom oba we na ehye otim be ma we me na me bo ano ma ne ye yie oba we na chese na wo de oye odie esi wo nhira kwan ene dey abusua benema mienu we be jaw hwe okasa so yi wate kakasa de kakasa ehu ehwam nempo emfa obi ho asam enhye otim na eye saa nneoma we mienu we ene bedi unya esi wo nhira kwan meka so nyame nhira wa me de maka ne momone ye na bebie kwan ma nhira na akwa abrabo mu se wo kan sempa na wo yi oyodie e fi otimu na wo jema ne ka ebeboa woni onyame entena edin yam je so ya ni tekotego ana meja wo china so ebehia
Munyina chen yamwakwa Badwam TV kase iso yadani teko tegwase na watchu foforo mu ne dwada foforo ni edwada etwato October bosome ni mu na October bosome so etwato ensamasi o memu ne brason sa wotibie sa Adom kase abatobodie bia koso amawi akire kakra na ewo mu no kasepa no multimedia adwumakuo no ekokuru yade mu nsam no ebebrew enipa baako ato na nanmo nsia do ofoforo nso atoremum ama obaako nso ye twetwa no wo frete kakra basansem wei ene sembi na no pa emede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase oba Facebook/Adom TV a kase ni twagu ewo ho say Go TV nso ahwehwe ye wo channel 176 na DSTV nso ubenya ye wo channel 280 anopai mi amesommo medi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die kwan so tie nsam no enchiremu ankasa abasobodie kase akoso mawi akire no yabo Multimedia Group Limited so 2021 a media organization of the year na we no a Chartered Institute of Marketing Ghana SIM na won mo ye na wotwe awie ye nya no nko a eba no online so ene radio program of the year nso a ni nyina no Multimedia adwumakuo ye kukuro Adom TV kase etwaso
again Multimedia ya pick up award for Media Organization of the Year, and I will share Multimedia, who's a total media organization. The TV brands near solid, your radio brands near strong, both in the English market and in the account brands, your digital media, your online. And they say we need for radio drive time, we need online for My Joy Online. Total organization, total media organization. CMG acknowledgement of your strength, you know, in crime, and I prepare for the year ahead to do better so that the next time we come, we can also take another award again.
Adom News ene multimedia dwumakuo no wona wona enya abasobode bi enso atwetwe enkom.
Award bi a mani age ho pa. Ahyem nkran bebre na ebeboa me mato akoso aye niema bebre e de aboa se na be ya ye man so betumpon na ye bekoye.
Of course, your second award ye ni gie. Na ye mum di yehu ni se eye enkaibɔ ne ye kai ye se dwuma na ye no. Amanfo hwe. Amanfo tie. Ana companies ahodo a egu ye program no so no. Ye remind you omo say ye be kosoa a creative value no ama omo.
Ti ma multimedia for nyina yuko de odeba ye mpanifo eda no mu adwumayefo nyina ye me nyina ye tiri nkwa nti we de no ana akan to station papa tie ahwede a medofo ya mane na ha ya ne woni papi ede mamo mianto akase no so na we no ayare hosam nipa ba ko meka sei wato na nanom nsiedo ofofo nso epra ya wono kwa de wato mum na ukada rider so ye desika wono ntokwa ena ekoso Nigeria for eni okada riders a ewo feta kakraba ogomwa East Mensimu ewo mfimfini mantemo
Udwani atwe feta kakraba ewo ogomwa East Mensimu wo mfimfini mantemo a apos for tradia nipa baako ena wato na nanom ewo nsiedo yofoforo so nene so esi no ewo okada station bi na hwehwemu apos for eye no ena wo mo etwe se Nigeria de hye bi ne kanchuma eko han okada ewo feta kakraba sanka wo mo ko hotel bim no makwakwaje wo mo ani no mokwaje wo mo ani ewie ye no ena okada rider no esanso de wo mo eba station ho bio abe obedru ye no Nigeria de hye ne ye na adwen se won fo okada wura ne sika ema no eno ena nam so ema ntokwa esiye won madibo na ni ehunu ye ne di hodanse dia Nigeria de hye no eni okada rider no ena de sie ni
mfika so abanti mba medu ho no na okada boys no any one boy bi eye gidigidi Nigeria boy bi fa no dropping say ofa ni kofa ni girlfriend nti kofa ni girlfriend na oba bedu ho no ena okada boy ni yes o maniska ena ye apre nti apre Nigeria ni friend adamfo for me you ebe kan ho no mo ye miensa no mo ye so mo jiboy ni moto no nti ye gidigidi no na say sika hihyo mo ena mo twitwa boys no nti mo twitwa boy no na ye gidigidi na boy so frɛ adamfofo a wo buchi mu no mo so mo baaye ena fie be ye omni Nigeria fo no gidigidi nti de ba ya ni say Nigeria fo kurase kan boy no so ni nko a nti de nyonko baako na eba be kan no nti omo ade apre am kurase kan we tu ana we ato unfortunately on Nigeria sin side no omankasa crash na eba ye na mienu etoye
Udwani atwe feta kakraba
so na yewo yada so yewo feta kakraba honso na honso maami abesiri wonfi aduonum enwotwe 58 asabi oyemumu ene no so nipa bi akwakokum no wo nafuom bra no wo hye ne bidie etwa nasemu ho etwa ne minimu Adom TV etwaso
adin siye na yeko ewutimi se maami no enya ade a omo struggle ankasa na wo hwe enya onipa baako ebe se onipa minu na onipa mensa ena omo ne maami no na wo hu de mo mu kwa maami no a wutimi se mo nka mpa mo struggle ama mo yi ne eche deja ti maami no hu se maami no nyina da ho na mo twa no maami na ade efum na sika na mo sade den disa twa no
Mami baba John Labi enso editu dwase asem no abone pusa esanse okohu ne mami anu odafam ho no mu a ode sekan atene mene afri ho no na ne yemu ahye no
papa na me bra ba ko ba me nche se e mami ko ofom no wamba am se ade ba ne se no oso obo se okwa ofom no wamba am se ade enfo moto ne de ye bra me hwe ye ba ye be chi anti ye ba ne na aduane a we di ne kai si ho am se no we de menti ase enti ye ko bidie no ho na ne pabo so sa gu honom ene ye fa achiro no wura bi ho nechi ye kwa na aiso bi ni na strike ama wajo so no ho kra enti be ba ne se ne ye ndo so enti ye se ye be kofie ne yakofo bi mu aye abekan ho ti ye ba ne na muslim fo na do mo amusie so ha se ne ye babo mo amane ama mo so be bo aye a ye hwehwe ye ko hu se o hye ho no
Adom TV Badwam kase adwoda de yi na utie facha yense ni nyina fa no aya reho samo na yade konsem foforo mu enso nipa bi esisu se wo mu ayi akronfo awafo be ma ne ne yire ene no so wo ko won so kro no bo na wo de sekan atwitwa wo mu yesu so wo mu ye fulani fo anu si ye wata akura awo kentampo mensimu Adom kase edeba
Enwachi and a unit committee chairman Adom Jaba enso editu dwa se wo mo de asem no akoda kentampo aposifo ya wo yemu enhwehwemu.
Eno anajo be 7:30 to 8. Me da hono mo frɛ me frɛ krase se fulanifo akoto ahye ne nkurase fo so omo etoto omo atuo ani asikan. In fact, me abreho because enye we ne eye dia edikan. Omo edikan ye dia edikan dia toso mienu dia toso miensa aboroso ama ya fafum kurampo ewo ho e dia Buckingham Municipal Police Station. But dia ekoso no enne dia aboroso ama me youth e di abufo abameso senka omo nso ebe retaliate na omo ni flanifo no di asi ani na dia ebisi no na asi. But me ko so ama omo abotre ama sesi amenimu kase kura no me community me youth no afane say bia me wo anije bi wo de ekoso no so ntina me mpese omo beye de omo ye enti mesre regional minister police commander MCE ene ye MP ene obi bia owo Ghana a otie manode nsemi se atakura de fulani for de ye no se mpanyimfo ansori angina ambeye ye mmoa na se BBC a omo meka se ye ne yaye.
My so na nananom ni adehye wo anum esojaman mensini mu wo poyemantem mu de adehye to aban nanim se wo mo kwan wo mo ekwan no be 52 years na ekwan ne nye wo mo srempanifo wo mo meye ma wo na Ghana ni dehye ya wo ye Ghana flag Mame Theodosia Salome Okon yemfani din to so na nhye na nimunyam se wo ba bi tena ase adwuma wo ye ni na ne kromu ni ne kwan ni Adom kase ne nananom ekasai
Nanano ne omanfo a ewo enum ye wesojaman mansim wepoemantem de atodwa kire mu se wakwan ayewu amana entianmanim ya Ghana ban nana arodanko akufu ado na afesosofo hwe akwan yi ene ho nsem so enmanim ya wo meyen sisi okwan no so mfam se ne be ya akwa abadi betimi akodutu
mfie miensa chini na akwan ye de ma contract contractor di kan ba so oba adwuma kakra no sesa ne ne makoye ekoye nsem bibre Ewu ano sambae osambae kakra no sansesa ne makoe na yebisa ose ye maniska yesraban yenim se aban no oye ne obetumi de nanso yesre no o ma na ni emra enum no besiesie yakwan man
ye konkro bebre mu ye hu se ekwan no ye kroma ye de enso ye yakwan no dan botwe ha na ne papa fi na sa ukọ kria wo be se asphalt ye kwan wo fefefe so ne yura fi ye nimu boni ye de aye no ye sre na ye dwane ato adan botwe se onko ho man pan na omumbra embe boa ye
nanano ne
Assembly member ya Waterma Committee 11 eye Jatago electoral area Felix Sobre wose no kura bia nim se de adehye bi keka se wo twetwa nua en wode containers esisi ho no kura bia nim ne mum a kasa ne mum en wo mu bu amamra no a wode eye adwuma e wo ho no so ne Adom TV edi nkomo yi.
None of the containers there almost come maybe better. Ni ya me better with the exception of one container 40-footer container America once my job there. There no mass report no. Be so inside container ni full because I'm not going to allow anybody to put any container again. I'm getting tired.
Na packs no so I saw tontone.
But the point is that how can I sell a pack? Can I, as an assembly man, just go and say I'm going to sell? Do I even have the right of entry? These are ignorant people. Let's leave it to the election pro. Whether it's justified or not justified, we shall get it. But for now, they cannot hide behind any committee. Company, actual letters are come at TLB. They own that stretch. And nobody can prevent them to put the container. And I'm telling you.
Yada se pasa oje bresha Adom TV Badwam kasia no pay na yada se biomo nso so afidie no eda ha nuanom mienu nso age wonmo adwada da Awurade Adom abo ho ban na wotwe awieye ya ntehwe team ni nyina ate asede a ma me kira diamond ni ena oman hene kwabena sante medofo me mabo akwaba
ye nea
e bibia bokode
Awurade Adom
onso o nyame Adom
cameraman small boy show mani just a minute to hey cameraman so about humanim ukwa de wono brana fi na wa sha ase ti emfa we ntete won tem na enka ho afi na me back to normal after ulma 1 week na mani sweet tem ka krakra ba stanza 24 stanza 24 mam F major na mam C clef se o fa na sem no we C minor se o nante se o nante ona semwa se o brani mu yedin na weni daswasa obeye ana erade beye amanasi wu ye cameraman ti na ho da no ahye brass ye tuan cross school fees o try say o Jones obeye erade beye me shase na ene ne meyi etunim to ato because enya de keto na me catch na no pe ensi ma me be kan nyina na ma catch
sa o de aye nyom to no
se ofa nasem enyame asem sa se o nante wo nasem ni mu dia obi a onante wo na me asem ni mu onyame asem tutu anam si ye che de se oye se obrani mo ye din se dien
se de ehu ne ne ya
ha ruade nyakopo onyame de wonim mamen
amen
se obrani mo ye din se dien kura na obeye
amen
ti misraw aduru abem baby adu no emo be mu da wana ka se hit ni de mi nyi otwe enyi adoa hit na amafa we de no ho ame adutu hit na asase ewura ni pedie nim nti it is clear say emrana yewo mu no enye easy sa the me person me show nkra no pen na say you need to know the times you are in na hunu nyame adom ho ato no so odo ho tu nipa so wadwuma so wa ho ofe so osuku so oka so odan so a obeyira kwan we nyina no ehwiegu yo na eko ba odo ho twere di ampon nyankopon a isaka mano esan se no munim ebra ye wo munti no ebre ne se ye wa ho ehia brem no munim nyame a omo wonti no they didn't see epo asoroche na ebo no they saw say owo nyame bia no matter the situation onyame be mo mato on the 6th day of Christmas my true love sent to me la so kisi tapos is a last tapa and a poultry in a farm
na se no mo tonyo dia se de anke ye bejan
we ya father le so ma hep
hooray ede edwada tele fia ka chonom edwada chat so kra October bosomenu enya onyame ya dawase o ya dawase ka enfra ni agro fi say ni pa nyina na nya ni say o in fact there ya kwan say ene ame no ka say ya dofo bebre da ya sabia ya dofo bebre ene erade atonsa from there ya no eti abrabom nsem no every second you need to acknowledge and appreciate and be grateful to trade and ponyankopon di obedi di obehye di obenom ba bia bekode wo de onyame amade a chew fa na seda ne ma no na sere ne so otutu anamo nsi yi embe igbo abubuo ntwa adwajo se wiase nyina nko ana ase ye hwe moja gu tirima otire butu da bi se de nipa dwene no sa pepepe ne ba no so ti wa sha no pai wo se o da asen ne mu ye hoya ba wo ka se da asen ene wo be ye ma ebe asa agro by the close of the day na o da asen na ye ma Mr. Ghana for Mr. Mama yintum se tie bia no yen o my Ghana de se wiase nyina kure twa adwo a ye de ye wo onyame bia bra ye twa adwo no o de serious share afro mama
amen
you know ni nyina so be dependent on our obi anso wo adjust onyoma na nda no metira aka kire o so me catch you say if you me the economics about se name tokosia create ekofia kane no mudi no eye na wotwe me de ko na wotwe mienu ye de hihia ato ho ntade a oto na wote so oba be ma nkwada na o sisem anu a old one na wo hye we na wo hwe ni kakra na wotwe say na udi 10 cedis a umia wania it will be about coming for kakra now the ababa 750 pesos adjust na fuck 20 see every day I will save 50 pesos no I feel it will not be 50 pesos it will not be 50 pesos na afi mu me nya say ya kasa abade dan ho aso ye makrama kai de bia enwuma de dan ho aso ye botra de bia kase ye pa adwuma kuayo wo ho de bia me ka mo ntiase ye sabi ye mu bitie yi ewi a ye koton na mu ewi a obeba na entade mo ja fo ne se twon ye tonam ye mu bi branch ton tade ebi ton pan no unkwa na ho ofe a o fifi pem edu de wache ton anakoko ton anase wo chi eye awie su bia package nice no then and me ton no tema bi o de also nyebi edu no de wo no ye Queen Elizabeth ana Prince Charles ana oti akonyam o so ana pa kitesa kititi focus be kitesa ko ba yina o de be kaunsa ai shey udi kapre o mra wanse o mpa adwuma nye na mfosem no so teso na mfosem no too much na mfosem no brafom kakra onipa wahwe ase nyina ayi nipa atwa won hye wo nye o tamfo bi na wa akiri yen na ene o ko banana sa circle of friends no yen ye koso ye problem no timi sraw ana pemi encourage you say susufa ho tu nipa so na susufa ho to political parties so na bompa ye so ma o man Ghana is important na me catch you say you must say na bribia da ko enkoto dwan ma odima mpaye a very important odima empire enipa dodo na so ye da nyame asema ye ne ma adwuma ewom ni mu nipa wia asa erefisi efri o man bi ni abusua bi mu edi kuro bi mu na apie enti ye kuro a ye mo mpaye ma no ye constituency MP ni chairman ni DC omo ho hidi ye kura ye de omo mpaye ba on hyehyɛ ne kan ti se akandifo no enya adwenpa enya nyansa nyame de adom mo de hyehyɛ papa de gu a ana bi su ye so am ye so ha ntimi mmɔ mpaye enyi wa kandifo mfiri mu da ohene wo bɔ mpaye ma no o assemblyman fo o asofo potemo nkremfo o asofo o bɔ mpaye ma traditional rulers o nyina bibia wo ye bia na se wo say na se eko ti Mr. Mumien cultivate that bit so odi mampaye it's very very important pray for one another don't be a selfish prayer person de bia se nyambe boa amo atoka amo si dan amo aye say de bia ye me magana mrem why and akwa jwade de se sasan de mini adaje Professor Wallace ni adaje efisem so de bro pensem mu ye de bro na masaka se koso ahwa Adom channel no if you know my papa dey futu ni anije ene nsachira ni mpuntu obo abrabom no ene ye de ma me ye da wase say na dey wo no ma bebira nka betime chinchima to ba o chimi nchim because all the super gula so Adom TV ana abehwe ni enda Welbeck Kofi Ampedu so ase on the team no dache hene onanti asesa enso sa na tie kan ne cross pompo bowa o fa sa na tie anwe ya on the emoyi dia fam down aha me refi ndi o fa sa anwa ni bia ene ni nyina anya organic bia o fa no apanka atwade na de afa so se anya gemiri kutua na ye pompo na afa wape potato haban no na de wa mo na ye kakra ai sa shi kakra na de afam so bo wan to bene o ko fa so kra ste na afi ni epie ba ni nyina anya organic bia ti da che ni ye chia mama o de se o ye udi nkuto kra papa nkuto tabale de no o pe nkuto papa na ati anwa ni bia fore ho na afi wo de asra so sa baako mienu miensa wo de ankatwade nsu na wo anwea ne kakra wo na afi sisram na ekọ enti anya kwa hu mi we kiro ni nyina na se me kanchi bibi gu so ansa da ti ya adwuma
oh my hene kwabna sante the herbalist
abia
herbalist no ma da chi abrese
Adom praise so ho
yes Adom praise say baso
nyambo a ifia da
na wo so mo say the traverse green o say
so edin de se nya me kuna mi hu
abisi da me bono na wa Adom family ko say me am hu say afere jaw me bono na me boy am say Ampedu una otuto na correct
kuna mi hu traverse green
no a festival
yes
enti ya wada ya wada ye friend say de na ye covid time oh so mama me refia online ha me kan sa online yawada but Friday no ene ye be call Paris Dome ho
okay
enti ha virtual yawada de ne virtual ne de o tu fie na o sharp sa
wow
say ye de bro
I see
this year festival 12 years in Adom Praise by na COVID-19 no as about 2 years na aye enti no nyame ya adom a efiada Mr. 100 Ghana ene
NGA for any meji so
yeah mark any renchi
and no good yeah all the to your mouse
na nyum de ede fa chane pa na Ghana fo nyina kai no o nyum bebre
but so say say am trauma no
oh wow
yeah fa chane no
wow
line kwa kam ye fa che
eno a wo
Owenfunya me. Maba wani mira. There is a perunya michaka.
It's the vim for me. The vim.
Mr. Mobaba Obeba say the kind me try ya che is it
try ya che be how many years ni
I think be 25 or so some guy no meeting school meeting school no meeting school nim na
she
atonsu na me koto bidie so
Tonsu oba ye bebusa no me sure say mami bebusa we
oba ye nkasa de in fact ohu talent o talent na oba no you ogusu oton pike no
o se o wi school na o se o market you abuse dey make one text me aba me na me pay attention
abadu only queue nim na
only makoko so ko jam ho
oh nya
de jam be
wa try ye de sana omo nyomra no o so omo gina stage omo ye so omo memi o
yeah omo ye no omo ntimi
aya na na omo refi omo maime aya na nti we nya fault
okay so it's about what to do the book at the brand quickly na fe na kwa adwade we are only encouraging you say tie bia no just ma woninje wan kasa show won kran say onyame ne wadi nie bi ko won wene very very important if you have a call like then
online story ne de mampani adodan kwa kufu ado anu asam enra no wochibre mu ode ebeto ye ni mo no full speech no e wadomonline.com sikam pedede sikam pedede ye de bebre scan bayira enti fu ayire de wow bibi nti wanya ho antie ni nyina na say short ones and bradomonline.com na bekin kan ni nyina nso na mampani kasa ni mo no kakra nso aye twade ato adomonline.com ha ye say government working to secure affordable fuel ehode hia ye pa nanka ye ni swade hu se ye besora no pe nka fuel na ba be 10 cedi na ne ye fele se enti me fele ma ne nyama enti wo ba adomonline.com a read ye wa ha awraho sama adom kase ye de to manima no pe eye maame abesiri wasabi oye obi a wonti asamo oye mumu enipa bi akokum no wonafuom etwa nasemu ho afiri ho etwa ne minimu nso de kɔ nti wokɔ fete kakraba eno ya awraho samu a eno so ewo ha na wokɔ girapa municipality no mu a yɛsɛ o ma record 169 teenage pregnancies mprawani nsɛm kranketoa omo ages no ni ade gyina ba adomonline.com a eno so egu ha a no obetumi akenkan bie ano odene kranketo ena de omo butwe BC obeti we nyim obeti we wo sese nkura mo nto mobo na ade no nyini na abeda ho kura fe na oda ho kwa na obi a ntimi nya hwe mo nto mobo yesusu ye kan so ya ante ntimi so me ka bia kiro nya abotere na obenyina beto so ate ase 24/7 na ada ho bu so oman hu kura na obu na nti ntimpre ho ate ase to obo ne sua de na du obota ye ho oye mprawani se okonyim se mpanifo kura wo a omunya problem na nkura wa se ho no musha to be wie che na fistula ayew strong kura mo to mo boate na se wonya lura mo wie ne ye te wa emfiri ho a bo ho ban ma condom no so abrabom ma condom no eno so unyina no akono se de mpanifo ye no wate ase empre ho kura empre ho na yare nso wachiri nti adomonline.com and someone will pay one so at the buyer. I don't know.
Where quite?
Inti ye dear foot na man colana sana, afe yen sheshe ne saying. Aya na na no ye tio na near the figures na gu ha meboa. Ah now say I have for this.
Yes, I have for there no.
Na mchen wa jinsu say I have for no so nti say Sakra Stella.
Yeah, enye papa.
Nti wen so keka beboa na no de no. Won. Ghanaian Times ne. Mampani Akufo Adom so wa ha. Or say government inject fresh dollars into economy. Nti ye the dollar foforo no aba begum. Eno ho asem enura wote ye e woni kita ho de oni Ghana for ediye. 9 new rice varieties introduced. Na watwe mu no Adom kase bo amane se enipa bi na mabefo kwan so e de Ghana emu ahodo makomako enkono na aba ejaso. Ghanaian Times say bo ho amane. 461 doctors, dentists inducted. It teacher say enipa dodo makofa antiem sa doctor for ene wo mo a hwe esen no ahanan eduosia baako na won sadeda won kokoso a chese wo mo pledge no. Into congratulations to them. And now we will restore order in Forest Bureau, Bank of Ghana, and now wa vow we, not just say we no wa vow wa shabo. Say enka ho said ye hu no. And they know enti Ghanaian Times and some no dey not to say the ordinary no be no no.
The Chronicle say.
The Chronicle say yes, there are economic hardships, but don't dare stage in coup. We shall resist it. Citizens Coalition tells the military. It is Citizen Coalition for the catch us for no say one must roam. Omunyina obi age to so man mu ayehye na so ma mo fa no ho na ebewi ase no ku bia apie e wo Ghana. Enti Mr. Kofi Bento eyeku ni ba na Professor Tachiwa Menu no so yeku ni ba na omo kasa asemi. GRA obtains data on Ghanaians holding foreign accounts. Enti Ghana for omo wo amanone account no GRA for na etu ani ede esi won so no na NDC for so won mo aba won mo eto no mche se for constituencies bi ho a won mo aboagu enti the quotation no Chronicle de ba ne 2 Thessalonians 3 verse 15 yet do not regard him as an enemy but admonish him as a brother. Who no sell town for? No sell unria.
If you are the online, let me wrap up on mine by quickly. Daily Graphics say Ghana assumes UN Security Council presidency tomorrow, and the big one, restoring confidence in the economy, 10 crisis into opportunities. Ghana Mampanyi and Akase. The finder say import regime set to be reviewed to create market for locally produced goods. President Akufo-Addo Akasa. And 12 billion Ghana cedi paid and rising for costly Mahama power contracts. Daily Guide say Prophet Omoto storms Ghana with mega crusades. And what's Ewana Blekusu residents appeal to government. Big one. Fellow Ghanaians, we are in crisis. Money doesn't like noise. Nana do Danko Akufo-Addo. I don't know the name Matuja. Anna, the Republic say Ghana is in crisis. Nanado admits not once GES boss out. There's a Ghana National Association of Teachers and so on. Want to see there be you see the Ghana Education Service paying power wabano and the many man paying say one be every home.
Meanwhile, tell for so much fun so.
Tell for so
much man akwaba
I see.
Well,
okay, so if you wrap up my
me wrap up there myjoyonline.com on so dia ode abenie we are working to secure IMF deal by end of 2022 yen kabebre na Manasseh show the nasama ba say value of the cedi higher than Akufo-Addo's address. Manasseh azuri no so ne dia ode eba ye no
value of the cedi higher than Akufo-Addo's address. Manasseh so no
yeah asemo nti wo ba Adom online myjoyonline.com na fe when ya bre na working kan sama wo do bi so wo ho nti se kwabna ne ma
did you be the source of
central spread of Chronicle last week Kanema Penny Mahama on say or address Ghana but if you asem ne me de pa
what say
building the Ghana we want.
Building the Ghana we want.
Building the Ghana we want.
All right.
It's a catcher uncle for so Brano said the open and open crowd came. Said they would join.
Yes,
Sana Abrabon Bayamawa. Building the Ghana we want.
Yeah, Chichiro my Ghana said the AC pen.
Obianya the family. Building the Ghana we want. Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Niba, sign out.
And yeah, may you know so na the one crata no news and pay the and fancy a good moon some Professor Ike Wallace at was so Sister Sandy be a guy and so one who was here den now fee a fissum pensum moon so my name I'm so at Nas Mefdeno Koswa na have his Adom TV. Ye was oye, that's it.
Kwaba kese be ba Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwendwuma die so dia wo kan se hu sempa esa kana no pensu ja medindi Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudi catch ba ko pe the only nomenclature of the professor's degree in sports the original Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya ekọ no kwantin coding small esa kana no pensu e wo Ghana agudi ejao she no so mam se nwuma koni emiensa o na bom sika dwetre menei ye den komo no ebro 1xbet. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa. Bet the hintasima we cheni so twa de befua ana odin befu twa de kuma bia odin kuma sa no manum abusuan de japade bi sika okọ ejaw e car ana se dan obetua tabiri akoton fani na koguso na so de keto akọje kesere no ebetua saboa emaniama etia ko edia ma na mu bet di wa eya wadwene betia bom otin betua sa hyehyɛ nti o betia fa dwene kakra eto ho we na achi na se wusi untie dia modada so de betua sa jim 1xbet ene intense wa ha incident tuam kan obi abode dan so 1xbet adama and asancha sunkwe eko ediamom boys enyamo financial freedom Jeffas Mr. Drew Tetashwin so na medium dance ediamoi say infections gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis fita na so dipo na chewa etimi prapro hrawa ene omre bo ma timi din chine chebo motianda so sabetia kan Jeffas Mr. ko eba shops and pharmaceutical shops in the moon sabetimi akabi Sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel and a medium dance ediamano but modern so do any beche e shaman me market temanso enye na hokra ya odie bia wudi fi wa pampa so be pimo nase no etu asese hom na ebo amaniama etime tutu ye de ma obetia from 020-821-9129 na on Sedimo gel and roll-on yentwetwe nkomo so otu bia akoton anase otode ya ho no e be hwabo amaniama etia kwa edia ma the journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the very first step. Yes, chance and for so kona fi enfa ni twen sanchim World Cup minutes. World Cup minutes money ebu compound dia kwachi ahwe eye countries a omaji World Cup no drop pa Sergio Manucho ene sa countries na bompunipu e de ho nkomo kakra ebre World Cup minutes.
Every day World Cup akensi hyase e wasasi so no ehum sa manhodo bebre na de omo ho agimu a obi a botai ne se kuru akase obaji e de akofie onim se e wa pakose mu no amanhodo nwotwepe ena World Cup yi hyase afi 1930 no omaji kuru ayi de waje ne dodo pa Brazil waje ne num afi 1958 1962 1970 1994 and 2002 Germany na toso mienu waje ne 9 1954 1974 1990 and 2014 Italy nso waje ne 9 afi 1934 1938 1982 and 2006 Argentina nso waje ne mienu 1978 and 1986 France waje ne mienu 1998 and 2018 Uruguay nso mienu na waje 1930 and 1950 Spain waje ne baako 2010 na ne kwakra mu no England enso waje ne baako a afi 1966 ena waje kuru akase yi esi ne sere so
World Cup minutes ana yede ebro no sha no smam say Azar Paint omo ana touch de bo me sancha so kwetien sabre ka Azar Paint ja bodin da say ete so achesa Azar Paint quality paint from Azar Group since 1921 ana attach de bo me the World Cup minutes in share no etimi esenja ba quickly call the Black Meteors of Ghana the national Olympic team the under 23 side omo and any Mozambique for their Kingston the ball so Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium 90 minutes of soccer fiesta na Black Meteors we need 2-0 out Mozambique for near Mozambique small I was saying case it means to 20 4-1 aggregator Ghana Ede Konenim Sylvester Simba and Afi Daniel Fiye Banye one more and it means Sanchon Bobre under the tutelage of Ibrahim Tanku the former Cameroonian assistant coach Anna ono etime boa Emma Sankunibie no etime ekọ Emma Ghana.
And Prince, what is more frustrated is that don't forget in the first leg the Black Meteors.
And that's an opportunity now. The shot is fired, and definitely this time around, Simba hits the target.
It's a super strike, and this time around, Tessera Francisco, the goalkeeper for the junior Mambas knows he was beaten. There was nothing he could do about that shot. Again, it's Augustine Randolph for that pass. And just when he got the ball, he see the goalkeeper.
Colors, you know, he was nurtured by Godwin Atram, and so he knows and believes in his young prodigy. They're coming forward now. It's an opportunity. Simba still handling the ball, and the referee has whistled for a penalty.
Magical moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, he gets the ball here. Just look at the skill to go past the defenders here. Very strong with that tackle again. Goes past defenders and brought down in the process.
Has been very agile and active. But here is Daniel Lefree Barnier. Quick as a flash. Solid gold. Ghana at 2 goals up.
Yeah. It's a brilliant spot kick. And again, the captain makes it goal number 2. 3 now from both legs. And he's the toast of the fans here at the Barbara Sports Stadium. He tucks it beautifully behind goalkeeper Tessera.
The referee has taken a look at his watch, and he believes that we've had enough. Ghana through to the next stage of the.
And see the Black Meteors of Ghana, I'm going to check Mozambique for Trump 2-0. I will come as Barbara Sports to the run as I can see it of him. After the game, Coach Ibrahim Tanko, a former King Faisal Babies player on the coach Ukite team, was on the target pan say Ghana beating and qualify for under 23 African Cup of Nations, now for Olympic Games and so for a long while near qualified that over Sunday Ghana are qualified also.
Yes, sure, we're happy, and the only thing we want is to qualify, and I think the boys did a very good job in Mozambique before we play here. Yeah, and today's game was a very good game for us, and we can only hope that we will qualify this one, and then definitely we want to go to the Olympics, not only the players, the technical team, even you, the journalists, and the whole Ghana. So let's see, I mean, we have to work together, and definitely I have
Ibrahim
a hope.
Tanku, and I think can say, or then come age, but quickly, young Jampunia Fianco Ghana Premier League matches outdoor, and also 8 me S2 so a month for Bekaya, Bess now came in 10 in the league, no, or court, I go so can to a Yanshi Nifi, Ghana League, so but Friday now, so no, 9 Yanshi, I'm Kwansu de Channel, Sako. Ghana Football Association this week me sure say nyame adoma nyanhye ne so se deep this week in so league no e besan anwen se kakra but week 4 matches ne shase na no memeda House of Folk for omo trans bia ni goal stars na puso Martina first House of Folk come ya na later wakra omo beti 2 goals na osaka in 90 minutes no na has 2 ana bibia ni goal stars 1 e wo dwumadi a omo tien sadie no na hwe se na match ne si ko so kakra.
Magnificent goal scored by Prince Owusu Kwabna. Brilliant stuff. Hearts nil, Gold Stars 1.
Where did that come from? I tell you what, that is a magnificent finish, but it's from just that hopeful ball from the goalkeeper, and that Inku misjudges the flight of the ball. Ayi as well is way off his line because he anticipates Inku gets to the ball first. But what Kwabena Owusu realizes that the goalkeeper is...
Now here is Kosa. Awako, and they get the equalizer. Hatzabok grabbed the equalizer, and it's Isaac Mensah stepping off the bench. 77 minutes, Hearts won.
The ball away. Free kick coming up.
Awako! This special. An absolute beauty from Gladson Awako.
Gladson Awako special. Once the ball left his boots, he just knew he was going to hit somewhere on target. Goalkeeper's reaction was late. The ball isn't bending into the corners. You struggle to see why the goalkeeper doesn't reach it, but it's powerful. And when they are down and when they are tested, it's the captain that steps up, leading by example. Gladson Awako special.
Ivan Sousu has got a ferocious drive in his left foot. Does he go with his left foot, or it will be Owusu Kwabna's right foot? And Owusu Kwabna banks one into the woodwork. Emmanuel Tampuri has whistled for the end of the game. Great comeback. Truly, they never said die.
The House of Folk 2 be any Gold Stars 1. Now Slavko Matic, House of Folk coach for Awaba. or send your catch a place to be able so and I'm some could be a common house of folk.
We have very good meeting on the half. After goal, we immediately changed formation from 4-4-2 to 3-3-4. Score second goal against, go back to 4-2-3-1. That means tactically we make good things. The most important, willing of my players. They have big wish to win, and I think way how we want to play also is good. We must continue to work more harder because every game for us will be.
As a fool for Serbian trainer, no, and I think I can say, oh, Jan is saying, okay, so teams and Penradi, you don't know, you don't find it in Chiboko, and Tino, Nanyama, Ekuye, area man. But Michael say, and a kita Bibiani Ghost Stars, also a former Kumase Asandoko player, and a former Blasters player, and Koma, on also DJ after say, Unyasa disappointing results.
Because game we all know, and then we were better until 68, 65 minutes until we get this this red card. It's a very, very, very painful lose that we lost today because it was a game that we were very organized. We give them, we frustrate them until we get that card. But all the same, you know, we have to learn something about it and then make sure we do better in the next game because this is a game that we were up. I mean, they couldn't. I mean, create a lot of chances while they are playing at home. But very unfortunate that we conceded that card and then it cost us a lot.
Michael say and Akita Bibiani Gold Stars team, no, now has in Mexico, so House of Folk was able to win that game under numerical disadvantage. Ekoye 10-1. Bibiani Gold Stars for the direct card. Tinese Oma Shoto and Emma House of Folk in your edge over Bibiani Gold Stars. But Yenko Munafi heard that matches a team to Tuja. Beche United, Ghana's Dangote, Agama, the team no. One edge to Korea Stromekaba, comment and Mediama Sporting Club 0, and I feel so Adriana Stars 1. It would say Parkwesi Fabian, it's me a share a coach David Duncan, El Takwa on one fedia. There's a coach David Duncan, Tim Sampa, question mark a Krabaho, Legon City 1, and I feel Chelsea 1, and Swataman 3, Karela Football Club 0, and I feel Dean's Football Club 0. Accra Lions and Kanjata 1 into the Piemo Nenya Miadoma matches 8 years out was bu na Kumase can fire away air the Shanti de Binyamiadoma, one more any Kumase as Santiago and Edible Bosso. Summer test beton said after Accra Great Olympics, Olibu, Olimashi, William Conson, Mam says summer test, woman Kita Olympics for former coach, a coach say Anna Walker, and I feel so cry Great Olympics and so almost former coach, no cry train to Yamiadoma, Resana side game with Subesiako, one of the dicey, crucial, titanic, crunchy encounters are a bit near Santoja and Nevia, and yet they won't come back. Ebro Tamale City, and nay, Athens to Tamale United into the battle between the Tamales, Yamiadoma, and also a bit near Santo. And Wilson and Mijina, now, Madame Sweden, BC, our Kensim, and Nedra no pay a bit me SC, Midin the Enoch. Kwesi Walanyo Wallace, a good catch back open up Jemu, and of course, evidence-based presentation to Majao. One expert, Omoteche, Jeffers Mr. and Afi Sedimo Gel and Rollon. Woman nada and a bonus graduate men and pencil, Yaden Common so 18 Sabreo. Shannon Somami San Kuma catching a Dawson. Sister Sandy be a guy, a kind in terms of entertainment, ya gun had ye. Wouldn't me, Sister Sandy, I just say be out of Robert Chet, Yamia Duma, and then Kuma or Deban, a Dawson papa, and it's a catcher with your phone for your Ukrumo, my office for Nahnam, and I feel proud for you now say Adom TV. Ye was the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.
Onye mfunyame mabawa ni mi edatia ajami ni fika ona mafum maya oboni mi etina maba sodom mfunyame fami boniche onye mfunyame maba wani miura me adatia adami nifika wana mafumo maya wani miura etina maba sodom punyame fami boniche oh so be popa midin afin kwango memu ana obe mama tonfu asiria kosi daben oh so be popa midin afin kwango memu ana obe mama tonfu adi ebusi kosi daben oh mi ura fache ani fufa fato adon for misrem fato na chure midin kwango menu oh papa running for fast, fatter, true, me ding quang mem. I don't for me swear, Okuana, one near me, Okuana, me rap my let me see my band, Papa, running for fast, true me ding kwang mem anana anana I feel fine. Me I would do me, but I come up to me. Over Tampa, I went to Jure me walk I'm a pretty man, quay bonnie. I pay me so me you feel me so proud. So me better never see a home me so Fama kuma, fama de, matina. Mira fama kura. Oh, so be pupa. Every one me bupan. Obe mama tampo, asiria kosi tabe. Oh, so be pupa. Every one me bupan. Obe mama tamfu adi amusi taben oh mi ura fache ani fache wato ado fua fache na kebe se wani munya se minyewi japadi na sami tree mi kram faso abe mi ura fache tree mi din kwan umemu na chese ye be him road to Adom Praise. Next akabe 4 days more. Thursday no free show, Friday no. Next kuku down for you na ejina. So me the sister Sunday. Me da say next waka ye ho pay de e nhwasem ko a. Me ofanim pon pa na chese etutu ne nine sa ba be cha me wa ha say no. Next me ni age pa ye ofa mark. Enim yo enchi ono ene wa be cha me ofa ba kon so Jack Alolomi. Ono so join him or Zoom. Just say anopai de insurance nko akwa aba shonko. Ofa akwa aba. Yeah, you know. Wherefore just still now ujida na so.
So you are sene de Nyankopon boss anu abosa.
We the AKA mean say that.
Why
fedodo akwa aba shonko.
Me da say.
Let's just say me bo auto praise be but me tell mu de me auto na ayira ofa.
Sa.
Ayira me auto na ayira.
Well man you some na me call praise view. Na me bo YPG. I'm called YPG.
That's all the way.
That's it.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Me and Juan and me work kra neja.
Timanira.
But mo dey powerful pa. Mo dey powerful.
Because they are rehearsing for a very long time.
Yes.
And yeah, two nyom together. It's a teamwork.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
Until unya teamwork o dey remember.
No kwe.
Baba tom pepe. I green. So green.
Pedu jina ye cause me ball to na baby e dey amai. I think the first in history yeah, Jumedi Kessia, me who say SDA singers, Edaso.
Sure.
Meboa.
Aye.
Wow.
The
Hey,
first
I don't
time.
praise.
I don't praise.
Oh, you make him style baby because I mean it's the first of its kind. You say the singers and that you made you to say. In fact, of Ampacho preparation it to say ni. You can't say I don't praise it. Oh, bastono. Of Ampacho preparation no nya ho it to say ni.
Oh, me who say okay. I don't praise. Organizers now I call the next step.
Thank you.
Because someone involved Obia.
Okay.
Say I don't praise. Praise who? Praise the God of the nation. Praise the God of universe, the creator. Enti as all tone suffer Obia. Obia the awesome bia unim so odman komati ase.
Okay.
This ono na ye nyina hyiam se president dia. Say tone suffer Obia na boom sa oman.
Okay.
E praise nyankropon tumfo ba kon obo no manyina.
Okay.
Obia awesome bibia unim se nyankopon e ball.
Ampa.
And we are praising the Almighty, the Creator.
Mr. Fido, ya me sure as very because how I may be dear Sasha with the enemy.
Shut down shoe.
Down flat.
Down flat.
And I offer a little means so I join you Zoom.
Mini papa.
Mini papa.
Down for pa.
I'm mentioning real quick. Uncle Jack, good morning. Uncle Jack, what's your own mute or honey, my make a cannot mention on can. But you're on mute, will flow be a no. Uncle Jack on mute to home, mammy, or no so that's so.
Sure.
I just say, yeah, be share, I did any
yeah, me paddy pa.
Sir?
Yeah.
Hey.
Well, do I didn't know say the spirit is working.
No correct. Praises and worship.
No, yes. It's one manner, me penasem. Last time amnesia studio be. Okay. Just a di nkomo sere ya. Na nipa ba kwa oka ho Kofi B. Yankopon fan friends. Yeah. He's a man I love so much.
Oh.
Jack.
Yes, my lord.
Uncle Jack, good morning.
Morning.
Me pacho akwa ba shonko ba e bejama ho se pejime di so anope.
My dear Sandy.
Na Adom Praise home command na ye chichi road to Adom Praise. In fact, me share a couple of times on your shows ni bia ni ade, but this particular one e dia na yen share him from Jack Alolomi.
Okay, the edika no me da obibia se na mada Adom multimedia group of company madam say me multimedia ananti ache kakra na em say Adom Praise me nya kwanya emo bida na me first time I think say ade bia your first time bia nso no I was say utimima enipa hu ni say ebreni nie na nyame hye bibia woni brim and I say mechanic say you call break if you ase kra call break na ye resume a ye ba ye no em say ye no mo de ye sha ase nti attack ne ye de ba no
ano edin ai ejana no e she
ano edin okay enye competition there but medical to crowd ama main artist you know green this green one night Mr. Green one
that's right
me maternity I Mr. Green
that's right
the candidate one fan so me grandma Mr. Obadia omna ni ye pa because yesu ye be hia ni ye pa
me da so
ni atene say ye tie mamu ono na eba
when the guy you know me da say Uncle Jack me da say fi sanope nya break e kan je ho pasho 10 seconds we invite Ghana for nkan wa sorry for ukrom for bibia some Adom Praise and mami
no ukrom for me enzimani
no correct
no metro salmaves mani bia mo otemenga beda bede ani aleme everyone ka menya denemo me perform wo Adom Praise smani bia mo otemenga metro salmaves okay bra Adom Praise
me da say Uncle Jack network no IABB e wo honom offer enyum bia eye me da woto a na e wo say yetena se research ye ho ya bra bomu no woto a wo nyum na America no nyum bebre na baba ku particular one be hon kronkron
Bibisa. Oh, bibi. Oh. Echeme pa as a career sense sikani bambofo. Now okwaje bansre still.
Aye.
Eno. Ofa ncheme kakra.
Me fajo.
Faja me wada ma fa dom ya no fe.
Yeah.
Me wo fe prepare ade na bonyina no na me tun san frɛ ye nuanom SDA for. Yonko do wo se bia koye. Wada ma mo amudiem pa. Oka ho nti mo mbra me join ne yeah, Adom praise. If you other way say 100 to the single, 150 double price dome. Neja my Uncle Jack asa baby. Hi Uncle Jack, good morning BM.
Morning.
On network and I say I know who be your host.
Okay.
Me pacho.
I feel yeah.
Me pacho ai. Me pacho invite me we. I can't sorry for no.
Auntie yeah. Auntie me tun safre Christo ni bia Otemenka or Shemi. Hey, but say God has spoken once, twice. Have I heard it that all powers to me na entity the to me na one no or no na ye kind of kasiye atra ewiase nyina say or ye ache into wo so atida me so atida o peja o hankina ene na ye him no so na ye him ama Kristo na ye him Kristo wi nso a na nu onyam ebisane awurade nshiro bibia
Aponya brain me twetwe nkomo me da CP Uncle Jack. If grace so I wa homa so hi FA. FA ba cho 10 wa de na ma me sakra. Aha na perfect. Hi, good morning. Uncle, Pacho, Boma, are you ready for you?
So I no party I sing be mommy with me. Na me nene na munwa na junu. Oda ya I'm sorry oh. Masawa no party I sing be mommy with me. Na me nene na munwa na junu. Oda ya I'm sorry oh. Nanso anadua no de na suma mfofro twemi. Ya o mujidi se afedia wenya bambofo okura bansuri kura boduya kura motoku maybe ya wenya ni da so se afedia wenya bambofo neba ni sain no de fo a owo sika pebia sidam pebia twenwa afesia hia paremfo no otumi wumpetuya Yasi anaduya na wasure kume bichani trumpense shiaye nuachi wabafem wonsom wakwa kodedin Yasi anaduya na wasure kume bichani trumpense shiaye nuachi wabafem wonsom wakwa kodedin La asamipa anamma manyanta siasa Adia ya mfesikantono ya mfesika maubarada Osimunimse ya mfesika anajute Anadi ya pruvi netomu Mejano musubambwani ya dijamu Oh, jujifuwa mujaku Yesu moja Yesu moja Edi krum Nuneboye ubaida Edi krum Nuneboye ubaida Enti odasenia Wayu refro nyankupum De wura question no marketing kiti bimuno Ye no mina tumini wo Oni pada senia Wayu refro nyankupum De wura question no marketing kiti bimuno Ye no mina tumini wo enti say bansuro say bodio say kawao mini adaseni yenum na tuminu
Uncle Mark
enti say bansuro say bodio manti no yela odora kwashemunu yenum na tuminu where did you for moja yes moja yes moja mama dine and ona mama yo de chi na de me free bone house moja
Moja been a boy at home by ampa. Yeah, Uncle Mark no pay G. May fasting a show. May ye fasting a show because I know baby I may run many cry to take. Sure. It's time I say I'm a boy and Kaye. Say no matter what, baby I made depan ya dia yem first can tono. Yem first can more home by. You can say more. Into Uncle Mark and you me say no. Yeah, Banny saying, how do you get it to even write and sing for us?
Say the we are saying TV and young group on the boy. Said the call bia no washe. The do time bia what the achedi bi hye nipa mu say. Mo fanko ye wiase no ho adwuma mo mo adwene mra me nyankopon obade no so. Me sa na me hu so ye me. Okay. And enti me tire said the nyankopon no hwe wiase ya hu no sen. De akoy opa na. Okay. Won pede a de odi ahye mu no me de bedane nipa adwene aba ono so. Okay. Said the wiase no betumi din said the obo no. Okay. On say nyankopon mo wiase se enye basa sei. Aha. Na mo boy say anka abode bia beboa ne yonko abode. Na asomdwe ne odo atimi akoso atena. Anti obi a na adwene fi sa de no so no. Eye wiase na nkasa time for asase na nkasa time for. Okay. So do asem bia o kastre obi mana adwene ba ne ho so a o say asem obetimi adwen say no. De amedwen koyi. Menya de amepede but asase no ho nto no. De ameteso no. Ebesu.
Come on. No pay dear fasting name na me wono fasting name na me wono. In fact,
Sunday.
Ofa. More fun no. It's me fa kwanya iso aton sa free you no SDA fo nyina. Yonko do. Back here because emre nani monyom de ye obi anya evidence na Adom Praise yakofa mia me wo fa mark abase omra na musumo de emrem na yetoto nyum ni yi ayeye ni ade na musumo anya mo de om na mai den masa ama me momra fache no ho hia me nti momra na de asema wo kan nyina no utie mu a utim se wiase nyama bebre wiase afefe de wiase afefe de Mami call my sister Efe Grace and so on. So I join him with Zoom. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Mom.
Sister Efe.
Yes.
Me pacho now where dey?
Pacho nyame adom bi akoko pacho now so.
Nyame adom yeso yetin kwempa. Me Uncle Mark wa ha say, me am of Mark. Of Mark Reverend Mensa Bonsu Kumase. Ne baba ya ni. Ono so bo gospel song na bi pa.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Ono so be ba
ho. Abeto an papa djuma so.
Wa beto aso. Ono so be ba ho di. Yes. Efe.
Yes, ma.
Se ba of Mark na wa ha yo. Ne nyom den pa no we ni je ho na. We hwesare miss bi be ba so a.
I think this very song.
Your two sister.
Yes, a personal blessing. And me first akunya way so akasenya me sure that the baby why yes so much blessing to Ghana, to the body of Christ, and me say me tie the songs for me papa da romantic. Okay. Me tie and he has been a blessing. Time and me sang and nyami shano. It's been my baby am I so to be by God's grace indeed. Nyami shano pray.
Amen.
Papa say madam for pa. Me penasem. Very humble man. Very humble man. I love the man. Sure.
Ife, on that note, if you are that Asia or Perez Dome, Adom Praise. Yes, why are you ready there?
My ready.
Aye.
I'm still ready for Friday.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. O stagecraft I dey I che me pay ye. When you back in for no, my home family ade na che me ye pa. You know, if you had a share him from Efe Grace.
They should expect nothing but the best, nothing but the presence of God. The Bible says, in the presence of the Lord there is fullness of joy, liberty, miracles, signs and wonders happen. Indeed, people by all Bano should expect a mighty move of God, the presence of God being manifested on Friday. I can't promise anything but the strong presence of God. And I know your Bano, they will not leave the same. Wow. Yes.
Wow. That's what ye. Where your first time I had the water so
the second time. The first time was in 2019. This is actually the second time. Yes, please.
2019.
Yes. 2019.
I'm so by na me free hono no. Wow. Pacha me. No correct. It is ano Efe Grace. Akwenya ni ndi mpacha invite to Chrome for ene wa sorry ma efa mame.
Okay, so everyone listening to me, you know how Adom Praise is. It has been a blessing for so many years, and it keeps on being a blessing. Until be I would hear me, Mom kuma say, like me promo for, you don't want to miss out. We're gonna have a great time in the presence of God. So everyone listening to me, please go get your tickets and let's meet on Friday because Jesus would be present. Jesus. Don't miss out. God bless you.
May I say, Pisa no peonya daje and me chechen komo.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you too. Have a nice day.
You too, Ma. Thank you.
Thank you. Ofa, Adom Praise. If you ada Perez do.
Sure.
Ebe able to pay ye.
Ebe she Nyankopon ni munyam.
Team ne that's your Christ at work.
Wow.
It's in over
truth as at work.
What I say? Yeah, more for your guy don't draw. It's in over Christ at work. Na ekuku down for bit some anya media drum ye am modage media so. Offer. But my mo final way say na minja o mo kwan.
Okay. Na medical can say ya to nsafre obia Nyankopon e bo no. Nyankopon no kura bi si ho say ngade en ne ma ya sumdwe. Eno nti onipa bia oti asase so Onyankopon trimbo no ene guide wo se no free ho a na akoye bibi foforo nti bra se Onyankopon ne de obo so ne asase nkura bra me to nsa frɛ eziefo Hebrewfo enkramofo abosomsomfo yasa abodi bia otimi ti odwuma ye me to nsa frɛ no adenti because you praise your boss on your assassin. Now, want to me you home film. You're part of it. A festival for the living according to the creation of the Almighty God. Minim sombi obeka or no we Nyankopon oba de na sinchen. The ton suffer will be a ton suffer will be a. Now, nyum na bia na nam line be near dear. Enti me ton safro bia you love this music enti na yi nipa bibre no umpe we ya upe we so to da bi na say me nam na even me nuanem kramofo frame a wa hu the love ye show a because enyum no de enye enyum no ye religious music a truth and truth is greater than religion no correct so chain they will believe. Your belief is a religious belief, but the truth is greater than that. And then I'm warning a kind of Yankopon boy in our fry.
Come back, why Nina? We cry a home proper home that day, ne dear, Yamabeshan when Munyampa. Uncle Mark Chema or Ton suffer SD for Ginehoni Yamepa because they be mad that in patrol opportunity name said Mobabe Kayon. And sorry, no more high bass. Oh, more bass was sorry, what that. Mumu petrol mama me the best ampa we hu hia me pa o mo ba so nti mo ntena mumu petrol na mo form mo nye den emra ho na mo me support e me amofa emfa emma me nyame adom a ye be hia wo chena say car park say bibi koso ye nim he ya wo chena bibi koso wutimi ba be free wutimi ba e be fa ho e o small system sound the well back with yam pedu me director Thomas Okatechie AJC Kapa and so see me producer na face so camera for nyina hidden glow I will makeup department ono na etwi menim le maame Mobeku Ventures and Miss Goldis e ka boom siesie me ho maame Miss Goldis too cost but personally Adom praise na e de na PK facha why nyame Adom Wednesday me more and some na Miss Goldis too me this first to Sunday I'm the guy's queen Ushamo Kuma no mama pose yeah wafa we your guy wafa we dey faboza na mama wrap up nyom bi kakra we kwa me sorry asa kakra mani je ho
okay
chamba ko
okay nyom ba ko a e de ma pose
me wafa no nyami sha bebre me da say
Jenny ma unsa person say me ma mi nyanko ponso asuna de nyina no bosolo no bo asasi to me nyasa ndia wodi nyina rekura nsem mi nyame yakasi nyame kasao obi anyidi me Jenny ma unsa person say me mami nyanko ponso asuna dinina no bosso no bo asasi mi nyasa ndia wodi na rekura nisem minya me yakasi Yahova kasai obi anyidi ampa o me obi anyidi Rade kasa obi anyedin mutumfu kasa obi anyeko mutumfu kasa doti animwai mutumfu kasa doti animwai obo tumi obi anyedin
Eda etwato ewo bosome etoso edum eyene asedan kenrade se nenso ode acheyen enti nyame de acheyen na de osoma ye na adwuma no eno an eguso ayeyi ene se corrections ahodo a esefata wa afiefie bim no ye behwe na yaye na ene de no krachi yi bisa yasem nsembise bi etesa no de ya na bishop num na wo ho ano yi me kan kakra ma wo bishop nso wa ha na watumi ayi no e de amaye nuabema no na sem no ni o say my wife want to seek greener pastures abroad but I can't do long distance marriage afi na sem nankaseni my wife is a teacher and I'm a banker we do not have kids yet we have been married for 2 years 3 months and we live in Dansuman in a rented apartment. Life has been really hard in the past few months, and just about 2 weeks, she had a chat with me. She would want to migrate to join her parents in Switzerland to see greener pastures, which I strongly objected to. Truth is, we are in a lot of difficulties, but I told her right from the day I met her that I cannot and will never be in a long-distance relationship. She also argued strongly that due to the difficulties we have, argued strongly that due to the difficulties, she cannot keep on receiving the paltry salary and depends solely on me for ends meet. She thinks she can make it by joining her parents in Switzerland and working there, but that would not help our marriage. This has resulted in a heated debate, and both of us do not seem to agree. Yes, there is pressure on us. Yes, she has every opportunity to go and work for better money out there, but I think it would, well, for our marriage. What do we do? Kratchen asem no nyina na say, sepa se meyire te ha, me so me te ha, a esan ya broche kura broni ama visa. Untumi ho yire so bia na betumi ato ticket de. Sa brabo no untumi bo. Enti ne yire so chese se de mu aya den no. Aje so kwa broche Switzerland na wo fo nchen na okotoa abrabo no so. Yen komo aye ba bedi no. Bishop Michael Adofo kwabena efo selasi wo nchen. Na no kwesi ada ne so ma anyo. Omo etiase but peace manyina pamucho peace o. Na mamifa enkrawei emma yenua numu yansa na ochami amakoda kwa abom so bo nti ochami amakoda kwa mpacho mede o say yo say ya fosu ye CEO de ma ya fosu enterprise oboase o brother ne bobie ono so bobie enterprise mo dunkwa mo ne abusua ne nyina se omo anano ebeda ebeboa mo ema mo kata mo papa chi ewo oboase Black Park opani kwajo nyamiama no odamu nyina ase se nuanom ese omo damu nyina ase no chiamiama akoda kwa se bibi no nti na wantumi ama no nti mo fa nche no nanso mo amotimi koja nuanom nyina no omo damu nyina so ase. Happy birthday so enkoma Franklin Kwame Safo, Director of Health Health Ministry, Director of BBBB Health Ministry. Pacho, happy birthday to you. And I also and all the October baby last for happy birthday to Munyina. Na yemra yen common Bishop Pacho Machi. Mama Jemfu ahoye.
Ne hoye pa.
Ye denyame ase asafo manyina so hoye.
Very well.
Akobolo bebe fie nya hwe e bi asida.
Yeah, make so.
Meba. Na Bishop enti sese aware no ne akakoye no. Ghana yes ndem me gidi se nya sa aware for banu no pe na eka.
That's right.
Ghana yes but obi susu se owakwanya bi wo ba bi e be ma asetene ma ye mre kakra. Osusu se asem no be ma no utie be ma na asem no so wa Canada so no de ote ha mete ha ware de on.
Na njo.
Nse so ba no so chese ne memu ayeden. Omonyande.
Ye nche watiefo na ye na nyamiase e ma yanko. Aware sem Methodist of Penimbi na mikosia in Holland. O preacher no bunkotodwe. Eno se asafo ma wade o ma wade. So Penimpa oboni sem say o yes o patch.
No o patch say.
O person say o wade e wonkwa.
Oh, okay.
Your marriage is your life.
Aware yenkwa.
Oh yeah.
Aware ye obi a wakwa aware bi ankwa.
So ukuru betumi amoawu. O yire betumi amoasai. Awot ma tete wa.
Na mati asemase.
Me program here na my friend. Marriage school, my marriage is my life.
Okay.
Enti yemfe ni agoro. Now, who share obema? So ba ware no. Ye di kan no se yame asama kasa se awade no obema ma yire de ese. Corinthians 7. Verse 3 obazuma ni kundi ese. And the same scripture verse 4 and 5 and say oba ni nipadua so tumi. Obema nipadua so tumi wade ya. Emra wo say be onware ya onyame esra wo say no. You can be selfish when problem. The opebia. Okay. Time opebia utumi da. Unya ware wi a wo free mu. But a wife and our husband no and about the main contender. Nti awade mu no obema esese so onyankopon ne wo yiri ani no oba so onyankopon ne kunu ni. Okay. Sa na nyame asamaka.
Say aware ni nya basoa. Basoa. Obi anne ne ho sa.
Dabi.
Afa ye oyire koye okunu dia. Okunu so be ye oyire dia. Nyame she finfi.
Sa na nyame she. That's right. Okay. Philip for my team you know. Kiche me nsa na say afoforo ho ehia wo nche wow.
Eiza. Eno ye do nyonko town.
Anye dabi nyonko town.
Ye do nyonko se ho.
Dabi na say ware.
Afoforo ho hia wo.
Anche wankasa. And Philippians 2:3 and 4. Dabi nya sa.
Eiza.
And dabi nyame mu no. O say Yesu. Bible no. Philippians 2:5 so ma Yesu adwen no entre mu bi. O nyankopon tibia no ba ye nipa. Enti o ware wi a. Onya wi awade bi no. Ma wore mfi say ye me ne afia gemfo ye na nipa baako. Ya ho namba baako no. Esa se ma de ade nyina medwe ne ho ansa ma dwe me ho.
Oh, okay.
Ena ma wade ye. Esa say contest ye wa hey. The masaka na metu so ansa ma cause kra say oba ware a. O say mo transe settle down and talk. Mo vision is say, mo plans is say. papa ne sɛ ɔne ɔbaa ne kan because ɛsɛ yɛtumi te ase sɛ yɛwade a sɛ ne yɛpɛ sɛ yɛyɔ
na hanom ntwawa no key point ɛwɔ ha no sɛ afɛnu kɔ bɛnkrom sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛware a ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmonya biribi to hɔ sɛ aware no a yɛware no bi hyinie wei ne botaeɛ a yɛde ware nti yɛpɛ sɛ yɛduru ho saa
ana yesu kan Luke 14 sɛ hwan na ɔyɛ captain a okura nipa mpim du na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔne obi ɛkɔkɔ no ɔde mpim aduonu in other words no wowɔ 10,000 obi wɔ 20,000 hwan na wɔn trust ɛnwene ho sɛ ana mɛtumi no akɔ di nkunim ana ɛfiri sɛ ɔwɔ nipa kyɛw enti problem no sɛ awade nipa awade no yɛn trust and settle down kasa semi sex and a wedding and a way but as here na etrobia we have a compact and we sign the name of Jesus because marriage is a covenant. Yes, ayapam
ene papa em say wo hwe de aye ba wani mu komo no bi na wo mo anya vision ni bi
oh dabi kra
because the okay can quit no say
ayapam
because em say vision aya na colors no de e be hye na e decoration no
I know you visionless I am visionless
pesa me wo 20 pesa me wo emema ko pesa me wo man
eno ya na matu vision say obra mi boy afia yemfu a ye bobra ne say me kwa brandofo awrade afra me yenyam dwuma are you ready to go this way and the man me share fegem and ye koto no for 3 years no me money knows
to for 3 years
yes
is
and I'm
from pada
never
sir
God is away
what to say sir
never
for 3 years
me na aduane da me ntwa picture da nothing
na that time cry picture no ko twa ne
and na sana me say na me bia me won be bia me ko so na mo photographer me be picture but oh yes ono so tinkra ni fi e kakrabat me di sija kronkron ende na mano aye den nka me wano say
asitu na wana
aye me wano say
but was papa
yes settle down ento won say na abranti amekọ wane ni visi ni ente me kura me be wura wade ma dwe me say da bi me nya opportunity ma bi anum yesika fo me say da bi ba bi am kuro we me ni woni nante enye yi me poba obetuma temasama so benya botre because me take decision be on my very radical and risky so benya me djuma so me ya for example me ho ya na me yesi me dim birthday asoro fo ache me sika na me me se ye fa ko fa yenya me djuma bibisa keza wo crazy thing
ayo man on tiase na hyase no a enka no na nya djuma oba na ni tiase sika aba ni kun se wo se me de kwa ko yesi
ya ma 11,400 or 11,000 mo nyenya me djuma na fa 400 ene fa kofi samri yo aso make samri enti uhia entiase and so was okay hana me kro enti se papa no so woni be oba na kan a program kakra na oba na anya ade because oba na say because we need to settle down according to Amos 3:3 Bible say how can two people work without agreement ye me no ne yeko ye be na yanante mara ye ntie ho ase enti o se ye tie ho ase ansa na bone bi enim say oba tukwa ye tete brem ye ne so oba ntu bata ene tete nanti ene stone age mentality na de etu be ma tu ayesu etu na mo wade ne ye wade according to 1 Peter 3:7 or say we should dwell together awade de ebetumi a ankete faako na so na adwumanti abrabonti obitenkran ne nkumukuma obitenkran ne bibi o New York ba ni nyina no ba bi oni pati bia no the most important is entiase understanding and trust so obi won otikro mani ko there's no problem nti we no so omote omo ase titire ejane na ho a okoi enye visitor visa eyen krata asem de ebetumi abo abrante no it just say ahe no badi akodo ne say obema wo na oyire te say samre oba no asema okan odwe ne ho na oba no so dwe be ma no nti ade na ode a paradox because say oba no say okay me kun say onko mama enko nti say me hwe de micro pen be ma no so say eso say me ne so so tuku say me nti ne mienu a bone of contention say awade na say me ma me ready ope me yire na so ye onipa o say me man ni hu hia me kane in the hey o say edu be a compromise in the awade party no kwasam say if you want to win every argument don't marry awade nya about win and lose baby a win-win to do be o say you zip your mouth for peace sake in the hey ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ compromise sɛ okay anka me mpɛ sɛ ɔbɛkɔ aburokyire but baabi a adu die ɛwɔ sɛ ɔkɔ na wɔkɔ yi nso ebi ame ɔdeɛ na wɔyɛ me because nneɛma nkɔ yie sɛ adeɛ a me mo de mani bɛgye sɛ ka ɔbɛrima bɛkɔ na ɔbaa no nyinaa ka ho ɔbɛrima no nso bɛnya akwanya sɛ krataa me yɛ nya me nso bɛnya bi ama mpɛ sɛ mekɔ tu bankye ɛwɔ so sɛ na makɔtu ɛde wɔtumi akɔ 4 times a year na wutu bankye kɔ na wɔnkɔ na wɔkɔ na wogya bɛrima hɔ a ɛno deɛ pro kakra ɛnti ase na ɔsɛ
bɛrima na nso nkɔmɔ a yɛdi ebi kɔ so wɔ fie but sɛnka ekunu no ma yɛhu sɛ the fact that me kyerɛ me yere sɛ ɛwɔ ahyɛseɛ no sɛ me deɛ me yere te ha me so me te ha me mpɛ saa awareɛ no na mmom ahokyerɛ akɔba nti sɛ ɔbaa no biribi na ɔkɔ akɔpɛ ma asetem ayɛ mmerɛ nti me bɛrima no mɛtu saa na mo sei ama ɔbaa no asetem ayɛ mmerɛ deɛ a ka ebia nka ɛhɔ na ɛhɛ kan bi ma wo na m sɛ no hwɛ mu a asɛm no da hɔ traa o ɔmfa biribia mehyɛ ba na asɛm no sɛ saa na meka yɛ nti nanso mmerɛ da ne
oh yes ɛna ɔbaa a meka nyɛ sɛ bi a ɔno ase metu kwan kɛkɛ da bi
ɛyɛ biribi
nti anaa bɛsɛtem bɛsa afei na wokɔ brɛ ɔkrata bɔne bi anim ɛna wiase wei no everywhere apart from nyame asɛm no ɛno na ntwam da Matthew 24:35 everywhere is changeable provided sɛ yɛte ho ase a nti awaream de ɛnyɛ I want it dabi o ɛnyɛ I want dabi Mark 10 the two shall be one ɛna sɛ Yesu according to Ephesians 5 no Bible say kunti sɛ Yesu dia Yesu no mo afɔde ma ɔbaa ɛna ɔbaa nso Bible nso sɛ bro ho ase ma ukunu dia na kɛsɛ ɛsɛ wo nso wadeɛ nyinaa no wode hyɛ ukunu nsa ɛyɛ very dicey
na abrabɔ no sɛ ɛyɛ din a na pɛ sɛ ɛyɛ mmra ne nyinaa ne abrokyire kɔ
ɛno nso yɛ another thing sɛ onyame nsira it's not about abrokyire no as a matter of acts no asomafo nwumeti du jemadu asana o say God is not a respecter of persons ɔman biara mu ekuro biara mu ne oso nyame na ɔbɛboa no ɔman biara nyame adaworo ma adwuma yɛ nti wonu sɛ me kɔ America me kɔ yɛ program me da hotel sana me preach we America for 5 kokoko the doctor of from West Africa me kɔ as me doctor but them say me kasa we no say akwa na doctor o ma me di na me je me kwase asa na say okay me doctor dey am so e dey answer me say pray for us to get a job. What do you say? Americans. White people. And I say, oh, it's because George Washington break them who say American for a be stress day. Me call Hawaii, Honolulu. Me call preaching and so me call no young quiet and I heard you American for me and on my salad and me jala na me chang quiet. What I'm say we are say you can say prosperity and now prosper nation. I say and say emra esikafo do ayadodo acha ehiafo no na bia no your friend of prosper nation you ka so ohia nation so a ehiafo no do so ase ne say ekuro bi ehiafo ekuro bi esikafo akoma papa adwempa na obetum abobra etabro kire nya bone na so unsira de onyame ho na ewo anti say obo no fo sa and then I meant by first and I said me my man me go jam adwuma me de me da ko si akwaje visa na ko tue sika ma sebi come no you are wasting your time why do you papa now udi otufo nyankopon anchi now to tunu me you can make it anywhere in the world anywhere
eti ene ekuni ayire ntena sebio na omumie no ndwendwen ho hwe se ye be ware no na me hihye ye ne because me obi a me nkwa me ntumi ntinanti na mawawo
that's right
enti se obekọ de a ebia okwa na wahwewachi se me de obi be sha nine sa agreement no so sister ogitumu a na eno so atumi afa na brother atena se na wabo batanye sa na ye ka no akoye argument wo fie enti na ye di sa enkomo eto da bi nso a bishop ewo mu se omabeware no omabe honam kro but bi nso a na oba no dachi ye yon kan kokro bi be ka kunu no ene so obekọ sa abrochi enti be ma na nye den
that's a good one enti na ye kan say e oba ma na o kan sa na oba no so kan say wo na wo kan wo de say me kan say na o kan sa wo nyi tumu that's the one na metu oba no so kan say enti o say me no trans me e mo tretre no how can two people with that agreement oba no so na am say the parent abrochi enti likely say wasa ma o kan obeka me bi say me so opportunity ba meko enti they say say okay enye den asa wa na ewe so be man ma kwan a bi e be boa na mo me so woni bibi edwuma ye wa sorry ye dickness o Peter bu dickness oba me nchen diko ye elder na am so kwai asa nkom na me hye bi enso da nya nkom hye awade is at risk make us awade na gu
okay
Peter po anya ewo
okay
say me hu say enkoye
okay
enti no kwasa me say by my experience no me kwaba nde ano thing ena wa wonu abrochire system o enti ka papa mu de yenya krata mawura na wura ne mfa ne kru no nka ho eno na beboa as a matter of edu ba bi kura ense bo odu nka wa
afei na wo kwahye na wo fo akopa setina enti nko no di kan ya
eno na aseme
eno so na bread aso se won to me well enkomo no de ye de si ha enti tie de bishop aka no mo na mo wo mu fi ena mo na mo nim ba bia mo hia ye ene mo nkomo amudi ye enti no bishop de odi twato ama wo mo no
abrabom ni asetere mo asem se oye na gwen se medie ni amwa omo ntrance enkasa no mo nya consent to each other no mo hwede ebeboa omo mpaye so nka ho na ni nyina mo no aya oba na na ma wo tu no onwini be ma no be ma nwino ba ho awade mu de ye de mepe de ye beboa ye na ye nkai se ewi ase Yesu beba o Yesu beba enti de ye abrochira abo nipa aware abrochira so egu awade abrochira asani o mankasa amenka gronjira egu awade o my experience 3 e wo pitch up awade enti o translate no mo he de babo
bishop so mo fro
anka babo
for so more problem we be so be front but I from for him
0244 23 5578 0244 23 5578.
Okay, eti yatete ha ya yedidi nkomo bi etesa na yatete sa ware aka ebinum da achi ahye na yatete se mekope abrabo panso asay ebinum so aware eye mo na moye awarefo no mo na munim odo ewo montam na ntiase ewo montam bishop de ne de atoaso ukọ na ebeboa bia na o destiny no
that's right
ahwe ya na aware so aka wahye but ekuno nso mo hwe nso na se mo bejai na okọ se eba kora ni ho ohe na say bishop megu no na ukwa anu akopeku na so tena ha na peyira yetumo
mama da mo e say enipa ehu aware sakedo aya de kronkron awo say nipa bu awade Hebrew 13:4 say muni awade ni marriage must be honored the way am huni am ko nipa mu awade
okay
Yesu kane awade fa ni agro
yate eti mu amanya bi no mfa ni agro ye de edi nkomo na wie yapon eti ni aka no fra bishop pacho ha na brama kwan ema mede ye nkomo chichie no asi omai he no kabina sante ne penifo de pensempense mo bro enti koso ahwa Adom TV afi say yen ena e wa adzo ye no good morning.
Well, the question that say, Yasaba back here, try and come on so high Adom TV, Oshe Bijim on Adom TV. So, but make say this is the last Monday for the month of October. Onyame church na a fresh new month. You because I grateful to trade upon Yakopon say or the ache. Non kono pepepe YPJ mo wan be say ma be atimi atwa so one. But make say Daniel ni Kwatai Titus Glover atnase. Kaneno Emrashe Bejani whatever is say a deputy minister Kaneno for transport. All about Kwaba. Emu Kwaba no ye can ko be quickly and say na buy and come up pass na fe ehu ni awo platform bia wetin nkan oso bia no adanse obi edi papa ne mo say papa we nsu onyu na fa no e chen so hye bigidi se by now mo amowo Amenfi Central ma woni pa me kana asemi nimnyafo eye Peter Kwachi Aka, or a marine engineer, and also member of parliament on the ticket of the ruling, Opposition National Democratic Congress. I'm a Central MP, Peter Kwachi Aka. Oh, good. That was quickly. Another more time. Let me say, never be brave. It was beautiful. Say your customs and traditions, say you uphold some of these things. So significance there.
for 3 days or so, it's been on the quiet, no work, movement allowed, have your fun, but restricted in terms of Juma EBB and a year, you can say, offices are here, and ECG can you do 3-4 hours, back to now. It's beautiful, but people need to understand why it's happening. Because the part of Donna, we come on Muntiasi.
Medasi, Maminchia, wife from Namichi also, and my brother colleague, Honorable Haka. It's all about Yehinia or Danny Benkumso, near J. Kraku or Songa, a J. Kraku to Sumino. Or February, I think 20th or 23rd of 2020.
Oh, okay.
Na
2020.
2020, who year 2 years and 10 months money away. In the African and Shishano, the original cancer nebusia of free mono, kukucha way. A Yashishani na normally once a traditional ye basia, a mamrene, a mania ye. Yedi be quine said ya, ye bet to me. Edin hihye no so de amayen ndem ze ukwada no ene edi mu no edi bakrom but traditionally no wonze eba ne say ya ye wose ye bibia in the open wo sumase ya ye tradition nyam. I mean these are done all over say the woni wo a ko mo fa so mo de ye ndi the money ba Wednesday anajo sabre ne ye dum kania e wo committee 1 committee 2 I think committee 5 or kakra committee 4 Shaiman areas are tema traditional council no and nine e wo ho nyina no na omusa de betu dwa se ya wada no fiada any memenda ma yembie shops edwadi force mo mun kojum all in the spirit of trying to make sure say eyi na ebeye no timemfo no edi wo mu be den ebehye na eba ne say ya enga culture no ye ohini kese bi say ya asafofo no bakrum to raise awareness na the banners are not bad boys edi hu akoyem no mo ye niama emfata enti banners enti mo bia nto ade said ya bad boys on from wedding enkohyem se bibi a why ne bibi kakra or ton ne bibia no na akofa bibi boni bidi aba enti yen twaso no mo bia and shops ma obi ankodwom yenye bibia anton see on the unity. Mimindano, it was a colorful watch. Ubashwe near J. Krakow Sports Complex on
Facebook.
It was a delight. Said yeah, and Yebeda, it was a fussy, you dying for no source. Omo free chili benching in a bar, Yabashe, Chilina, or no actually Blanksing. President to me about, and he was smart, Deputy Chief of Staff, Carlos from Brazil, and in Pinning for Bibre, me whom. NDC, my big brother, regional chairman, De Coca, my big brother, Nia Machete, former regional minister, MP for Kolekloti, and the most successful MP, MCE, Ewatama. Maybe I also come but many days you may see acting queen mother so. And also the form engine a machete to me. Or ye Progress Party, a woman organizer, Sabra no. Ashama ma constituency no sabe ne yenchiche mu sidia yes yenchiche mu enti ono so da form a nyame yadoma yawada yi yedemu no bebakrum na fiada no yadida no e wona jefie na enti afrika
yawada da ni mi
yawada da mi ya but Friday e ne bedida no ye be fa de mu be free morgan aba Thursday na Friday ne yadida no na memenda no so ye no mami ko prison after the General Champo coup, January 13, 1969. At the time, now all nursing the bar 6 months old child. You're not concerned for almost over 8 months.
Wow.
Because of politics in that idea. So she has really suffered and sacrificed for her development of her tradition. And Tinyami Aduma, and then ye de me kobusen fie ye de adakano edikome busia na ya for
so that's Thursday,
Friday. I think Queen Mother and former women organizer of the Progress Party.
Oh, okay.
69 to 1972.
Okay, good. What's that kind of hot book there?
Yamina do me
constituency bia.
Oh yeah, we constituency elections. And your age say Oma ye win ye Oma ye lose ye no. Ye nyina ye dipa baako. They should all come together. Okay. Now you move constituency forward for next elections ye ba beji akobye free. Me nua titles no monsem. Okay. I mean chiano. Me chia obi anso na me chia regional executives chairman Natuku ene Charles Edufojo oye deputy secretary say opeso call organizer me urge on say omo say asomdwe beba your party your constituency omo eto asema me ka kire wono say omo say no de be bia ho beti because we are government in waiting oye na aye basabasa amafo be hu say we kura onye ready until region so me ka kire wo. The only thing I tell people say main reason I'm here party say we come together now yet to me I wrestle power from other people near the running country. You know, executive more ban one judge according to their works. The more fair deal of 4 seats for Western region. Executive see which is chaired by Natukunumba and want me a Jumama. Yaji for account. Obia all better power from them. I should think say the message is Obana Obameyanya another 4 account. Yes, idea. This will have moved them from 4 to 8. They have promised to add more. It's when they wait on the idea. My promises when me ba me will say, where are you going to get the money? The mean answer obey Jumadin, me to me a winning seats for Western Region Hall. Account. Now yet to me add power a free. A year MPP for no. Inti message of the Western Region for next week.
Okay, so my share share with you. John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, the former president, or party leader. Now the only Ghana for Bonkomobi. Now walk us through some common on your boy, your takeouts. Now what's the idea? Now the Danko Kufuado, then come on boy, your takeout, and then let's see how we move this country from where we find ourselves now. And to John, no, saying His Excellency, the former president.
Nina say, Omer who said, why you be paying? Omer who said the child challenges and how he navigated a matter of far, Kwame Sua, Uyi free. I'm a World Bank, I'm if you now predicted say the next year, no, growth, massive growth, and Panso, eventually he lost the elections. There's predictions near the if a trouble gas plant, investment or in gas and energy, any other areas, a prediction that say Baba Yenya growth. And Panso Yanchi, whereby in all Casano, Odikai Eka say, President, Emeka Sanchez nation, no. Because in crisis, say, you know, a man who say, a beer and ho, ya Jankadi and nam, no beer, if you're sophobia, and now, or Tunukai, or no, a far plane, no name, now finance also a cover be, or beer mine, and or can say no. President, at this time, we need direction. Omekasa, Yamiado, as a president, a cheer, Abekasa. Now, Osanso, I can say, yen expenditure so yen cut expenditure no enra president okase me cut the okase 30% cut no ministers ni adia president Mahama okase no to say no yen lean government from 125 and so above fem kakra but still no over 100 ministers no too much okase say ontwa so because only the salary but when you make account no a draining country, no. And this citizens who say no. The president is doing something. Sometimes money now be saved, no. But the idea say president who say no, say na ye obia austerity no, ye nyina no. No okan masem. Osanso okan say corruption na do mro wo opposition oni vice president. Omi e de no. O say enne no aba no. Corruption fede as very just a beer PDS near bus scandal or no cash for sitting a year bust bebre nina ya president no sweeping under the carpet. Official Auditor General's report a fear by Sikaya said or honor. President, what is he saying about it? On Kafinti, Mahama can say on tackle corruption. Na o tackle hona e be solve problem bi. if you're on any time o chance so tackle binum ono ani ministers e binum e call jail ni ade e first all can say sa loans na ye gi no loans na ye gi no ye hwese loan ye beji no e di fa so be bre yen loans no eno na abo e fam bebrebe ye gi loan ye hu de ye na a fizzle out ya check ni didi I say consumption ni di jo can say sa de na ye no ye hwe ni ye o sa ka say loans ye ko ye yina no ye statutory yina e dia a collateralization ni say ye de ye sika bia ye gigi no yina ye dia ko siawa
de siawa de get fund
go siawa
we ko
siawa e de say no sa sika nyina na be ba no ani e siawa ma ye di wo ye sade ya unya gi sika no bulk sika no wo no adi awie obi afi say ebi on na be 10 years 15 years time taxes ye be gi nyina nyina ko bi ho eno so em say o kan ho asem o ka say ye kana se amene ye no e ka amene ye me ntwintua president ne crop mo ntrase na omo restructure as a restructure ye say o be ko negotiation ba secretary no be trase no ahwe say bosia ne ye bo no e say ne ye betua ye ntwintua ye plan e be ya ye betumi de atua no ye ho easy se say sky be gini nyina no yi levy odia de mbo dawro yi levy be solve your problem yi levy be me ayi rosa yi levy be ma ayi enyama be brewa odi ade bia problem e wo man nyina na ka yi levy be solve se no ye hu say no enya de a ye no kore enti o ka kire say no ye hwe yi bosia ne ye bo no na ye ntrase ne ye plan kwan a ye be fa so ye tua ye restructure sa ne ye na ebi ho a odmitie say president mama odi to so see hwe na o ka say nka on sake finance minister no because mama time o man wasesa on sake okura oye reshuffle na obi a ba bi ho a wayi ni wa bre wa ya ama wa dwen na kosi ba bi enti ye ma ko another place a ebi na you be good there obunso na oyi kro for president we ba idea so far ni crop nyina ya wa na ababo ma baso wo mo so na rani mani ya e mani ya dia kosi ba bi enti da o ka say o mo bomodin no e wa he agree ki say atonsuom also obegina wa president no finance minister oba wa president ade so say no ye bibi anyeye enti o ka say on hwe no nsesa especially the finance minister ko ye say e ba yina no sometimes uyi ni pana a stability ba cause Ghana for nyina hu say finance minister the pro bi kura na nya ono a na ye nyina ya die ne say ono na ye e say loans ogi loan bi a onya ho faso ni data bank no e na oye negotiation ni ade nti o percentage obeji it more or less no suppose ye nya o e de okoje na onya na percentage any a friend conflict of interest no o share insurance companies are they say insurance companies enterprise no or na government ayi nyina odi amawa o mo insure enti nipa bi a wa ha ye o ka so onko IMF emra ayi ndc ko ya mba ya o mo standing na o mo free o ye kenke party enu kura sika twidi a o yi no wo ayi coffers mu o de ye kenke party yes sika twidi
kenke party de say akoka sika
kenke party obatudwa
odi party de party
keke no wo keke no keke na kese ni eye no gusu ngina ma na gusu
it wujudi ne say John Mahama his excellency the former president etimi de nyoma gu akwan mu a isusu se sanke fa as o my Ghana e dey sachira be ba ya na montu sika semu ya dwuma mu abrabom bibia
ebi da meken said ya me boss yina expenditure cut corruption
ministers who present original say
ministers me amom dia me na me leader president of Ghana me for more than 40 ministers more than 40 no me mom dia because we share a big countries near the idea ministers here the structure no na adwuma minister dey kwa me kroba time na ye coach kukura na ye twi gu ye trim minister of we say mojabi dauna ni enim nipa be say 12 say no ye twi twiku ye enne me ye MP ministers no ka say mobo emu 10 kura me because cho ntimi amom de say Ghana ye economy na kese na say ya expend dia me mo de e ka me dia nka 40 ebi ono because of cronyism no nka at least on family be 70
na for 70 abusuasem
na for 70 abusuasem e de odi nua we hia ha e de o ma we post e de odi we hia ha no nti odi kura e man say at least be 70. Now we don't need all these ministers because your directors ni ade no ho directors ni ade wo ho a omutumi na be yadwuma no minister na figurehead owa enti eno e wo ho a ohwehwe presidential staffing flag staff house ho ye kan wasem kan ja mo bia over 1,000 workers in the good side dan ketwa na ehiem ho no omgun wo kokora na wo pim obi dakrom ko ho chesa wonnam wa hwe ya nipa na busua ma wonnam wa ye kakra bi na ye be pem wa tofam omo ye den o sanso ministers o asanso for special advisors na wego ni nyina no say o man sika eno mahama e kan wasem na bosia na ye bono bosia no reckless borrowing e kan bi
nti ni nyina mde na atifi his excellency na Adom Dankwa Akufo o disiri no say o ma o san kranhye no o ma o say de asini e kwan ye fa so de na atifi no
in fact enra de me were hoyi pa say utie president ye work crisis mu a obey campaign message na meti
na Adom
Dankwa the man never changes on still adamant if you work crisis mu or cut 2028 2028 what 2024 the project in 2028 how come president work crisis mu oh can somehow cut 2028 breaking the 8 na adwena say or repeat 2028 is about be one careful until one also a debt to GDP no be reduced by to 55% in 2028 by 2028 okay and now say taxes there by 2020 say hey never pay what's there na some of the campaign message one district one factory one village one dam now one see what is answer ye ho kire you be one village one dam actually one D1F and the school feeding na we increasing no and nurses allowance yeah that is not one important sani man why you say ya ba say was summation of policies near the nyina and a dia be do be why do you go back to remind us
it's much ado about
nothing when you in some kind and fakwen
ba ku kura ni ma nkura hye bi
o da bi
ma woni da so bi
na obremu je say we uko hospital woni o yare na hospital doctor what is the best we can say doctor way or your best
ni nro de ma onyina
ye nro no ye na nro de say me kura betumi abeduro the diagnosis
say yade ni
no
ma ho aduro
say doctor ni tu kwa brochira ye ma oduro ba ato ojuma diagnose wa e kwa aduro de samso metumi ama meti ya makoto para bia na nye no ba okwa brochira ye ma oduro ba heart o ko hospital bia be 1 week ne ma oduro
because
they take pains to make sure ko mo oduro na duro no e pafa ho a you be in trouble nti be make sure who cry mo oduro no to make sure say they have come to the conclusion say yare we they have oduro enti na do a man here say no be king wa ma diagnosis they all can say coronavirus Ukraine war the world in France Saline UK say what has that got to do with us meaning France one Saline unim ba fire de ba won obi nya dwuma kra every month still they pay the person oko UK they pay the person so you can't compare the two what be gina na a man is only there he never did anything wrong go na do nra kaso kasa ye no just say the government nye anything wrong e dia bedru say bosia wabo edware wiom or high planes e di nam wiom ye kan nyina no emfa no or high plane di nam wiom emfa no corruption PDC ye kan emfa no nti onim se sa ne make ho na e dia bedru ommoso na fe okoka coronavirus obeka Ukraine war obeka we obe repeat sa ne me ya kire they say you have not even diagnosed the problem until nothing will change. No, I do who say no. My buying a bus no. Yaye. Now we are going to stop those things. My finance minister will borrow too much. Me say borrow no. Now we are going to put into a productive venture. Me president play na me fana ya kan mean 18,000 pounds per hour na. Yet a fed my grounding play no.
Now when you have figure anyway.
18,000 or you can a very few.
Now go boss
Very few. That is the figure.
Send that signal.
That is the figure.
No, as we speak, there's no communication officially on that matter. Now so 18,000. But that is not the case. There be mini you cannot be emphatic with the figure. It won't DDT. Not one common.
Or high expensive plane.
Good.
Or say pursue very will no the good more bro.
O can say no say and sanity. What are
plane by one penny idea womb empire. Idea womb.
And he's not solving our problems for us. He's rather
solve it or buy a plane on high bill. They will say you are serious. Oh, to 40 V8 ne do what you know. They will not do that again.
I said sarcastic. You say members of parliament, friends, family.
What signal are you sending to the people? Sometimes no, the signal no. What's a man for touch on belt?
Why don't I paint a picture as if say Ghana yaman penny abakoyina. No,
crisis. This is the worst crisis a country.
This is the worst times the world has also gone through. The world.
Ghana.
But we are not an island. We are a part of the world.
Some Chronomo president or high plane, special plane the call. Other countries say no, your dollar, also America, I don't know, almost dollar need shooting the tough him. Yet they are the worst performing currency in the world. Oh, can well that. Why are we the West? Why are we the West? Ivory Coast, Togo, in our heart. The bands in Ghana, you are the worst performing currency in the world. And you less title, Minia, until you come and compare the world. You near break. Minia, you near break, papa, near Ken. Mama Jam compare France, me compare Winch. You people are dying. Oh, now, President of the actually, I say France, Croatia say, wait, say. And the okay. And then let us wait. So I say Ukraine war in your ND. Russia Ukraine war in your ND. And he shouldn't do anything. Because no matter what you do, no war no was there and you ever break.
Okay, let's about my
as a papa me country. If promises near the end obey promise.
Those are promises.
Promises. And no one can be a promises. 2020 young train. Minia, who bet me a train at 2028?
Daniel ni quartet titles.
Yeah, brother, near you.
Unya daddy.
4 more, no. I got 2 more. Then you be who?
Unya daddy. Jamia do me. You better not say. Near her, no
man. Unya bibidi.
You better not say in such a case.
Unya bibidi.
Who for do about me to be?
Oh, I grab that financial.
Wakasa ye. Mamizo kasa.
Oh, Minia.
Wakasa na fata.
Can we to me so me can
ni quartet titles global.
It's almost about.
Please, calm down.
Campaign, campaign. Where we are? You got my father.
Covering that.
Eti akapa. Now, who be say question say, as I say na, mampeni akufado kan no. Wanwa di bakukre wo mu a, ebeboa. Ye tibra ye wo mu sese no. O say Debbie, because he wants to be partisan all the time. Na me free bibia ura mahama e kasa nanu no. The kasa ni bi no e do baby no to makoma so. He spoke like a statesman. But me who ex-president Mahama say he's trying hard to rebrand himself. He's rebranding. Na obi a yeni wodi we ye de nkura yeni mu. Yeni mu ayeni. So that rebranding posture na o penti di a kire ye no. Engo si baby a.
You ntimi na na.
Dabi. Me de bezaka o tie ni ye pa. You see, what do you mean by now? Na wala do asisa. Sa hypocrisy. Campaign time message no dey mai. Ene ya ma mo mi di. Maba odi ba. Who call them illiterate? You see, that hypocrisy of the former president, and one who call Harvard University in Mawakwenya a platform, but cast up by the impact and effect of this COVID and this war. Who can ya eka situations are among mine including Africa, where there's a lot of pressure on the economies, budget overruns, unnecessary expenditure because of situation na woman. I heard the say ye, but we do krumpe, not politics, are clouded with judgment. When you do that, you're being hypocritical. You're not being fair to yourself. What do you say? Na the cousin no or accuse you of buying say or collapse banks. Not that yeah. These banks under your watch. Who can give you one bar? Governor Bank of Ghana. 82. The president Bama Okasem say, Papa, you free one. You collapse 82 banks. Deposit and secure their woman crown won't train their mom. Including workers' severance. And your cancer says, let me brother Benedict no pay. So it took President Kufuor's government to come and pay all these, if anything, deposits again at their mom. 4.5, 4.6 million deposits. And they demand for you. And so when you make that attack on President Kufuor, we need in your dream. Okay, you can say public sector employment. Or attack it is it Bonize and Kuala Muye schools. They will say, yeah, absorb in public sector jobs. Ma, I'm a pedagogue for the Yana. Debbie, my house of in your dream. And to me, I will not go the tangent at which it's going. Now, ANN is for including Mama can say our currency is the worst form of currency. I disagree. We be a friend of international financial systems. 15 different currencies. Bloomberg, Ejiatum. Are you saying the Zimbabwe dollar is stronger than Ghana cedi? When you have a whole member of parliament on the national television talking like this, that Zimbabwe dollar is stronger than a currency, then excuse me, I have a problem. I have a problem with you. JP Morgan, last week, one of the social media manable colleagues, that has cost us where we are today. That is where we have cost us. JP Morgan said, let us have faith in our currency. Now, we say, but radio, so we see a West currency. Now, we need a new sue and who buy is contributed to it. You are happy? Now, we are happy. Would you say, hey, dollar, to see the thing, dollar, 20 Ghana cedis. And you are happy, cancer in some way. When you say cancer now, cano, but you see, and no namiti o mampeding a kufado. A pro now calling in a commence over the critically. Or jitum se Ghana, the sikasem, and in Nyama, a koso yafa, a biakaye. Or jitum say, in fact, we are in difficult times. As a mampeding the econo, and what's our sounds econo? Until recently, from Ashanti region to Eastern region, we call Upper East, we Upper West, Baba Savannah, we Northern region, we Volta region. Clearly, he communicates to us a culture and say, "Minimum Ghana said the Nyamasi kono, and boy, and one say we to Abasono, the issue point me fasoa, a better sana mono." And for me, for him to admit, and yet your mama catch up as a good father is only in Bekasa. Nanado has his program as and when he want to speak to us, only in Baba Bekasa. And he said, who is over here? Now would the Kasa. Let's just say you've compared President Akufo to come and talk. No. You want to be populist. Go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Or did not track with you. He feels the heat. Then she shall not do to a quemo come faswa, a boy in Yanano, and no air cano. And some men your kaye. Or say, Dedikai. About Yesika Sem into Tiano in terms of how Bank of Ghana supervision, a last week, Forest Bureau is basically, you know, there's a Baku Marina Mall and a Baku Airport. We share said on transact Forex now, and no shit. So quickly they have to close them down and withdraw their licenses because their operations is impacting negatively in Ejuma no Moyano.
But what is that supposed to mean? Or cast me here? Also say, oh, yeah.
And it's not nice. You understand? And he says, you know. supervision no e wo say mu ye forest bureau e wo say emu ye din na Bank of Ghana ma commercial bank no say obi biara open forex e dia koye adwuma no mu hwehwe mu yie pa. A lot of people are looking at speculation and panicking ni yakọ $100 no kwaji akọti yi otukwan ya okoma black market manso mefi no wa $10 la ko shedding pass
uko president okra president
shedding pass
president
on for nyefi
ko he president pass
because so lazy say o si dollar ni see the number no wa pass bia you understand
who be ko president pass
who go be
president pass
me say who ko na pass ya no ko $2 yi e dey go me wa who for $1 yi obi wo wa o pe $1 yi gutafo bi e dey ko diga o so pass
president
want to be lazy.
President you need to
Can you shut up? Will you shut up and let me flow?
Catch the president you need to
na wako GCK e dey akoshe won pass. Meanwhile, because you are being lazy, who nim na wo $1 ni be nti, who person sika enyini.
Is the one pass here shoot to
easy money na why you scared of him. You are not helping the cause. And the president catch and say, "Ye man ye nine enye ntitia to make supervision a year." Or see, president come about in the heat of the COVID no. One say appointees of government every reduce almost salary by 30%. Or that's so said they should continue. Government expenditure but abasa. Government expenditure is about 30%. Said yeah, expenditure na ye no e be hwede adwum akrom ye na e be ma sika sem no atodo ye e dia maye. Okan we no ka say the to biom so ye ni ye any subain. One D1F na ebano. It is one of the initiative I have seen in this Fourth Republic. A president and his government is spearheading the participation of private sector on import substitution. Kwame Nkrumah edi factories by. Eni yatunto ni nyina amwangasa na muto ni nyina e wokromwa. We know what happened. But so we share private sector nechi. The if any raw materials or diba. We get tax paper be very free ho. We money credits or they go see factories. Yeah, fruit juice. Fruit juice. Mineral water. So you can feel abroad di bakroma. When you toothpick. 10 minutes. So the import substitution drive now mampeni di abano. And then is over 127 factories. Tiles, floor tiles, this is an ebi wo shama. Why do you have to waste our time and travel all the way to China? You equal quality. So clearly, is a way who won't affect in there. You are not seeing the effect today, but clearly it is addressing the impact of imports, excessive importer. You buy a chrome. Okay, baby about pottery. You be the pa. You don't pay your bay. Now we can be. So frozen, anything, frozen chicken. We say and let's see how we can have a whole big time pottery. We call a brown area. They are very good in the pottery. So we'll be able to promote this pottery. We'll limit down the importation of frozen pottery products. When yes, a boy, no, but penny can say, no. Adiba, oh, Mama, what do you think about?
Mini.
Oh, no, you're
Mini Sunny.
And you 10 minutes. And you and we are timekeeper, Mamma, in the Cobras too. I do Cobras with you also. What does here?
35 to
who can we speculators leading to panic.
Bonipe who's
among penny before buying address or share gutafo or share TUC4, Association of Bankers, Association of Forex, Market Queens, GPITU, and the transport operators. These are movers and shakers of our economy. Oh, no, look, the situation we find ourselves on, and clearly, no, what yet to say we are not in normal times. We're in the very difficult challenge. And the Mumbai was also na IMF in Shishena or the Eco Shemono. Your balance of payments, you may need to get kama no. Now, media boy. And for me, I see him say, and yet the end is if only come because your mama they can't say. There is nothing that President Akufo-Addo would do that would please NDC. Because opposition inertia, no, heat in the war, no, that's all. And for us, we are focused We are backing the president. We are supporting him. And when she said, "Bia, or the tuna kwemo," said the Obama yen no, a beboy. Wouldn't him say we need $1, you don't need to go and buy it. And then gradually, no, so from kakran. Your prayer, ebi esida. Kwa fast so o yi yen free COVID yi mu no. Sa na me wo gidi wo no mu say obeze den yen e free challenges ye ko mu nyina. When you go all over, I'll give you a video. Minimum marker. Omo can say there is this very social media video. This Russian-Ukraine war no impact on their back. Egypt, Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, Tunisia. 45 out of 125 countries, you have 45 in Africa, 25 in Asia, and the rest in Latin America. About the impact of this global challenger in Yanyefumi. So we are not limited to the fact say it's because of mismanagement. Anyway, you see what is going on globally. Ghana is not an exception. Okay. And when you are in this MP, any president, Mama Betrasi, I was able to Krano, who can have a platform, who can be Vufro, Uba Ukroma, now to a Yampian. It is not helpful. Right. Where we have reached now, we need cool heads. Sika mpedede. Sika mpedede. Money doesn't like noise. You know who said this thing and I heard it? Sabrina NDC for Professor Bayer. The first finance minister. Before. Who can say no? Go and refer. Go and check. Or no can say first. Sika mpedede. And the Munja de Amoye no.
Yes. Meaning, Akufo-Addo in Semina, as I repeat, blame game. They are blaming everybody. President, blame traders, or blame speculators, or blame foreign exchange black marketeers, or blame except himself. You are the president of the country. The president here, they are showing sir. You know how be aso. No jai madian asaya. If you be blame a trader, say on the prices no more no money. Hey, are we not in a free market economy? Where be say dollar? Why people are rushing for dollars? And I make a change. Me say, Opia, Uncle President Akufo-Addo nim pass. Ubo boxes are. Mama, your president. Mama, your president.
We are solving a national problem. Not
yes.
Look at the way it's talking.
No, or come say, no, my sister dollar. Look at the way. No, because I mean, ordinary citizen. No president. No leader.
Let's not encourage the hoarding of dollars.
Yes.
Well, we don't deal with.
But isn't that a fact? Come now. It's a fact. People are
it's a fact. Because it's a demand and supply. I trading. Dollar no so trading. So autonomous you benye sika uma. I don't know what dollar no. These things you can't stop them.
Well, so you see can ye
fundamental. Exactly. Now I don't know Baumia. Okay, I say yenja sika pekasa. The famous quote of Baumia. I say you can do all the propaganda you want. But if the fundamentals are weaker, the exchange rate will expose you. And now can Wama Sasemia may you mantra country. And then the say as I dare say I'm yanka. Make me kotu near me brewa about me. I say that time. I say we have arrested the position of the city. No, cause we arrested or the IGP. And now can they and now I say decision to increase price of petrol is insensitive. And someone can only nanado in some more position on Kaini. And at the old buyer, I can say a Sydney, hey, that time no your opposition leader. On the vice, no more body day. CD call 3.5 or so. Bida. Lectures upon lectures. But my lectures are not called a Koyano. No, and then they won't say Sikam Pekasa. Sikam Pekasa, Yabakasa on. And the mean, Nana dem no Kasa. I feel hope you know the Abegina IMF so. IMF ya almost swears a munko. I feel the Omo Abegina so. This man was very hollow. Wanka cathedral masem. Yeti hate bia omahini. Tramika cathedral masem. You quite structures no more in a plan no more $21 million. Gone waste. Near Castle, no, you are wasting the country's money. So I only have a bompire. And Sidina, I just have a bompire. Was all the young Sebeya. These are things as president, you know what take care. I'm a money above him. Oh, by your own can't want some cry. So how are you going to solve the problem? In Tramika says, oh, Yariko hospital. Doctor and first, I do Yariano. Now what president onye hu say nyema boni na mo ye no e na me abadru say who blame Ukraine war is yenye wie yo na ge say Russia be wie on 3 weeks ade na ekoyi until say Russia Ukraine war be end no na o pa kire say we shall be in this situation COVID buy yen hu say your advantage my IMF no World Bank come the my that time your currency is stabilizing before the COVID no woman ko retreat wo dollar no muna mo ye won kai so mo peduase na eno na na COVID na they went there because to the dollar na jinsam after Mahama ne structure na ye na 2017 2018 year is stabilizing after that o man for policy bi ama na dollar starting say ehuri no mko na COVID ni ho and say chance na COVID by you injection into the system no and ma currency is stabilizing rather COVID was a blessing to us sikadu do omjeji ye amanfo sikadu ma have they been able to account for oba parliament or say ye aduane so million we scan film asa account to create no na enhia. So the COVID was rather good for us. COVID he tell me I say COVID also yadi COVID you dey nya speeches na now ma enro na buy kura mu didi ho enro COVID $9 because for be try $19. Health minister about parliament or say na on thinking right. So what did you do? Okay, first what did you do about COVID boy? Obi ene oh obi na Sputnik no obi na yo ene ye koto ya mo sa su twa yo ene COVID free we dey CDI
me ya se kwachiaka o kan o so ono a the question in the answers no me ya no ye always trying to go outside them.
Oh, outside way.
Oh, family.
Me I am man family. Me kasa me mo odi. Usu kasa na obo bidi. Who person delegative.
Who said wa question na wa be answer. Kwabena. Whether we like it or not, Ghana is never an island. It says sebi their echoes in no because of political expediency. Ube kata wedding and waso. Na munim and this munim said the echoes. And you're gonna penny one. But that is a tangent you want to go. So we'll leave that for you to do your politicking out of that place. Said the President Kufado, or the COVID no. And run at you or share young crying. We are seeing this challenge not as a way to defeat us as a nation. But the share young crying, I'm a near man show the Guaquemono. And Mabuano, oh, you free. I said, Baquam, you free here, and this over Kaya. Some of their tabloids and their parachikits, including some of the NDC MPs and their friends. Kasek, IMF yakumu ubekaya. Government say bonds, any treasury bills, any pension funds is going to suffer. This is a very profound statement. Or see, under no circumstance, say government bonds, treasury bills, any pension funds is going to be attached. Oh, Femodin.
Okasa oji.
Femodin yanota.
Oh, jai.
Femodin.
Okasa yini.
Please, there is no way they're going to touch this. Because my reference said.
Why do you do that? President Imam Kwashe. Oso Okasa ojidi. Now President Kasa yini.
Track record.
Hey.
Track record.
Hey, please.
Oman Kasa.
Please.
President Kasa.
Who did my time?
Who said track record? Who said track record?
Man wrap up.
Track record.
Man wrap up. Man wrap up.
Oh no, wrap up.
Yeah, man wrap up.
Now unja Kasa.
Na me.
Wakase mukase wie.
Okay, koi.
Me say, such statement no man peneko for kai no. It's very profound. Because unyani sa enkofo investment ma ye into they will start to go and withdraw. Of course. And yes, sir. And no my reference say among for yemu events banks na mo collapse on no bad. Deposit funds you could even pay. But he appreciates. Says Sanko for this cano, yempo musicano for mom. So he's bent on doing whatever he's going to do. I didn't be a cause of Kayano. In as much as we are cutting down expenditure, or say revenue mobilization, and then which contribution of revenue to GDP is about 13%. In the ECOWAS zone, revenue generation 18%. And what they call the target kwan e be fa so a GRA e be ni hihye a e be gu akwan mu a Ghana fo be nya huntiase na eto no ye to ne kakran de amano. So there's not going to be any haircut. Whatever investment that would go akwa okay, but NDC and JDM stop being hypocritical. Don't go to Harvard and go and preach virtues, and when you come to Ghana, you come and preach vice.
Thank you so much for your time.